Let's go and check it out. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go again. Here we go. 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 Here we go again. Doubles. Are we live? Are we live? Are we on all the socials? All right. All right. All right. Let me get some coffee in, man. Let me get some coffee in me, doubles. Let me get some coffee in me. Oh my. Oh my, doubles. Oh my. Huh? What do you think, bro? You ready? All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Why is this on? Why does this thing come on? I gotta refresh. I gotta refresh it. I gotta refresh it. There we go. All right. Don't give me a hard time. Don't do it. Don't do it. Relax. Relax. Okay. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's Coach Nick Money in the house with the indelible one, the only, BDRX in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker. What did you think? We weren't going to have a show because the market's closed? Nah, we got to get ready for Monday. We'll do the weekend edition, baby, on Friday. We're doing the weekend edition on Friday. If you're new to the show, ladies and gentlemen, let me break down what Power Play is all about. What we do is we typically Monday through Friday get ready for Power Hour, right? By checking out the stocks that ran, right? That ran early in the morning. But what we do over the weekend is we go over the stocks that ran in after hours the day before. And we look at them and we check them out and we analyze them. We look at the our custom scanners in our Discord. We look at the news feature in our Discord, and we try to ascertain which one of these stocks are probably going to run parabolic on Monday, doubles, on Monday, so that we can make some money. Oh, doubles, you missed the cue, bro. Let's try that again, bro. Ready? Come on now. Money. Because we got to basically sweep up all the cash off the flow, pick it up and put it in our pocket, bruh. Right? Right, doubles? Because you know why, right? Because we got to go and have a party. Have a party, bruh. Have a party. You know what I'm saying, bruh? Do a little dance. Make a little, I don't know, whatever. Shake them hips. Why not? Why not? Whoa, what did I do? What did I do? What did I do? I lost my way, bro. What's going on here? Because, you know, it's difficult making money all day long. Very difficult. You know what I'm saying? It's very difficult. Yeah. But you know what? I'm going to give you a call, doubles. I'm going to give you a call and let you know. We're making some cash, making some money, some loot, some big bucks, I tell you. All right, so we're going to review the stocks. And in between reviewing the stocks, we're probably going to go over like about 20 to 40 stocks right now, you know, 20 to 40 stocks, something like that, and check out which ones might actually have legs for Monday. And in between, we're going to go and have ourselves some victory royale, right? A little bit of victory royale, right? Why not, doubles? Why not? Right? So let's take a look at the first stock that we're going to take a look at, which is ONDS. Let's check. Actually, no, let's take a look at BDRX. BDRX. Let's take a look at BDRX. BDRX. And let's get some specifics on BDRX. Let's take a look at it. First things first, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the situation with the news. There was some news that came out on BDRX. BDRX had some insider buying, and the company also announced a partnership with another company called Syngin. This all came out yesterday, April 2nd, and the share structure of the company is as follows. The float is a micro mini float of 838,000 shares, and it had 121 million shares exchange hands on Friday. It ran quite parabolic, and it ended up closing up 37%, but it was well up over 100% on that news. You could see how aggressively it ran in pre-market, came down, and then into the open it ran quite aggressively, and then kind of sold off again, and kind of sold off underneath the volume weighted average. Let's get the graffiti pencil activated 106 is the volume weighted average. The price ended up closing at around 84 cents. What we want to see happen to see if this stock is going to have some continuation on Monday is we want to see the price action curl, baby curl. So we're going to pay close attention to this 9 EMA line right here, the moving average, the 9 exponential moving average. What we want to see eventually happen for Monday is that it starts curling upward and challenging the $6 key level of resistance, which is the volume weighted average. What we're also going to be taking a look at is we're going to keep an eye on the RSI. We also want to see the RSI start to curl upward as well, moving towards an overbought type of a pattern, if you will. So if we can see that, that could potentially make BDRX more schmexy and potentially give us the continuation that we're hoping for Monday. So that's BDRX. Now I want y'all to stay tuned because we're going to also go over a surprise stock that we think might do a little something on Monday. So we're going to go over that with you. So stay tuned because I got more stonks for our early watch. Let's take a look at ONDS. This is another stock that's potentially an interesting stock to me. ONDS. And I want to apologize right off the bat because I'm using a new keyboard, so I'm trying to get used to the new keyboard. Doubles broke my key yesterday while I was in game. He got angry and broke my key. It was all his fault. I couldn't move to the right because he broke my key. He's going to tell you a lie and tell you that I broke it. He's going to talk about 5 keyboards that I broke in the past couple of years while I was gaming. He's going to tell you all kinds of trash talk. All kinds of it, but don't believe him, I tell you. He's being despondent and I don't know, something else. Something else.
Who willingly plays? I don't.
Oh, Bobo Beep says, are you seeing a 1 for 5 he says split for BDRX on Monday? A 1 for 5 split. I'm presuming he's talking about a reverse split. Are you talking about a reverse split? Let's see. Do we have any news on that? Let's see. Let's check it out. Is there a reverse split on that? I didn't see that. Hold on. Please hold. What's up, Bobo Beep? Hold on. Let's see if there's any kind of a 8K form. Is there an 8? There's a form. Open that up. Let's check it out. Time by the selling shareholders identified in the prospect up to the. I know that they've been selling shares. That I know. Let's see. I don't see it. Where do you see it? A press release on that? A Form 8? Because I'm not seeing that. I did not see it, and the price action is well over $1. So I don't see why they would do a reverse split. You're saying a split, so that's not even a reverse split. So why would they do a split? They're not really terribly profitable, so I don't think they would do a split. But I'm not sure, to be quite honest with you. If you can give me the date, I could try to look it up. Doubles. Hold on. We might have found something here. Hold on. On March 27th, shareholders' approval at a general meeting, we affected a 1 for 20 reverse stock split. Okay, so they did affect a 1 for 20 reverse stock split. When is it supposed to take effect? No, we found it. Yep, we found it.
That was effective in 2023.
Was that 2023? No, that was on 2023.
It says here, it came effective.
All right, there was one that was effective in 2023. Is that what you're seeing?
Let's see, is there another one? Hold on.
Is there another one? On June 11th, hold on, please hold. We had a general meeting of shareholders, and our shareholder passed resolution, subdivided our ordinary shares, ratio change, and number. Hold on July 31. This is all last year. It's not now. I don't see anything recent. on it. Do you have a date on TradingView? Because I do not see that. Let me try to see if I can pull it up on the news over here. Let's see if we can find it in the newsroom. Let's go and check it out. BDRX. Let's take a look at it. Let's get a share party. Let's get the first 100. Well, first one. Hold on. There might be a little something here. Hold on, Doubles. Yesterday at 6:50 p.m. Hold on. Please hold. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, no, no. That's not what we're looking for. Please hold. Let me see. Let me see. So what's the story with this? Let's see. There's a halt, which usually is an indication of some kind of a split. What's going on? What's going on? Let me see if I can open it up. Hold on. Please hold. Please hold. Da, 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 da. Bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-da-da. I don't see it. I still don't see it. All right, let me see if I can check it out on a different location. We're in search of whether or not there's a reverse split on this fella.
They did have a direct offering.
Or a split, or a split.
They did do a direct offering.
Yeah, of course they did direct offering. They diluted like crazy. They diluted like crazy. Let's go back to BDRX so we can keep it on the chart. Let's keep it on the chart. BDRX, let's check it out. Let's see. Hold on, please hold. Moving in here, going in here. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything regarding this. Checking a different source. Checking. Please hold. Please hold. All right. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Let's go. Let's go. BDRX. BDRX. Let's see. Biodex. Announces partnership. I only see the news about the partnership for some reason. Not sure. I'm not seeing the split language at all, and the price. Oh, the price is $1. Never mind. The dollar is 84 cents. So we were looking at ONDS at the higher price point. So yeah, you're right. It could potentially be a reverse split. It absolutely could be. Absolutely. Jimmy Jean Baptiste says, check out MobX reverse split on Monday. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. We'll come back to BDRX and check that one out later on as well. Let's take a look at MobX. This is a heavier floated stock, MobX, and it is a military-oriented stock. Military-oriented stock. Let's go ahead and take a look at the overview over here and see what the share structure is. Let's check it out in our custom information on the Discord. The float on it is 93 million, and the last session, which was yesterday, Thursday, was 51 million. So it moved on light volume. It did go up. You could see that it went up approximately 63%. So a significant move on its price as of yesterday. And it was a choppy move, obviously, because it's a heavy floated stock. We could go ahead and put a trend line showing that it moved up on the trend. Reuters on 18th of March wrote that BDX American Depository Receipt holders to receive one new ADR for every 5 old shits. Okay, so it's a reverse split on March 18th. Let me go ahead and check that out real quick. BDRX on the 18th of March. Let's see if we can find that on the 18th of March. Maybe I overlooked it. Let's see. That'll definitely make the float a lot smaller, but it was already a pretty small float. March. Bobo Beep says March 18th. Let's take a look at that. Hold on. Please hold. Yep, you're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. It says the following. A clinical stage biopharma company developing a pipeline of innovative products for the treatment of rare diseases with unmet medical needs today announced a ratio change of 1 to 5. It's supposed to take effect on... Scroll down. Let me see. When is it supposed to take effect? Do we see? Do we know? I don't see when it's supposed to take effect. Scroll up.
The date of the ratio change is expected.
Oh, April 6th. April 6th, so Monday. You're 100% correct. It's supposed to... Now, it's already a low floater, just so you know. So this is going to become even more of a low floater. The stock is currently at around 838,000 shares. So you got to figure it's going to be about probably like around under 200,000 shares. So there's going to be definitely a liquidity problem getting in and out of the position. And it's not going to take much for it to potentially go parabolic. That is BDRX. We're looking at MobX right now. MobX has a much heavier float moving upward. Let's take a look at the news on MobX, and we'll go back to BDRX after we're done with MobX. So MobX, let's go and see if there's any news on it. I'm pretty sure this is a military-based type of stock. So that's definitely a thing. Let's see. MOBX program component demand jumps 5x as production advances. So that's the news on MOBX, and it came out yesterday, April 2nd. The news said report new and expanded activity tied to the F-22 Raptor program, which is a military airplane, Air Force, including a new customer and increased demand from an existing partner. The combined activity reflects approximately a five-fold increase in component orders, with production underway, supporting upcoming delivery in 2026. Forward-looking statement. This release includes forward-looking statements regarding production, shipment, and program activity. Actual results may differ materially due to risks and uncertainty. So whenever you hear stuff like that, that potentially can affect how strong the upward move may be. We could see that the price action is definitely got a 9 EMA that's quite extended from the VWAP, and you could see that the RSI is moving downward, suggesting that this is starting to cool off. Let's do a Fibonacci retracement on this particular stock. Let's go ahead and get this all set up right over here, get the Fibonacci set up, and get some key levels of support and resistance for MOBX, and then we'll go to BDRX and take a look at it. We could see that the VWAP, which is roughly at around 29 cents, is a support level, and we could see that it's reaching resistance at around 37 cents. It's going to be a significant resistance area. There's a lot of touches at the 37 mark, so it needs to break through with some volume, but the RSI is signifying that the price action is going down. So we'll have to see whether or not any kind of news pops up on Monday that might give it an additional boost. But it's going to have key resistance at 37, support at 29, and if it can break 37, we're looking at 42 being the next key level for MOBX, which is involved with the production of parts for the F-22 Raptor, which is a military plane that the U.S. military uses. That's the story. That's the story with MOBX. Let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up. Let's go back to BDRX and talk about BDRX with the information that we just got from Bobo Beefs in the house. Let's go, Bobo. Bobo's in the house. Bobo. All right, so we're back to BDRX. All right, so key resistance on this is going to be $1.06. It's going to have the reverse split, so it's going to have a really, really low float, and they just put news out. Which came out yesterday, and it pumped the price action up, as you could see, and then ultimately the price action came down. It is below the volume weighted average. It's at 85 cents right now. RSI has pretty much based out. Volume is down. Reverse splits generally bring price action downward, but there's recent news, and it's going to have a very low float. So, and it's going to be at a higher price, right? So if they do a 1 for 5 reverse split, the stock price is going to be around just below $5, right? Just below $5. So usually when there's a reverse split, the price action will dip, and either that day or within a couple of other days, sometimes the price action recovers and you have a rally. The fact that it's a low floater like that could potentially attract speculative traders to come in, and you might have a parabolic situation. So now you have two reasons why this potential stock could possibly do something, but I'm going to wait for volume confirmation to validate whether or not it really is going to move. Let's do a Fibonacci retracement, and we could see that resistance would be at 94 cents, and then of course at the VWAP at 106, and if all else fails, it could potentially come down to 58 cents, 61 cents, but again, these numbers are based on pre-reverse split type of situations, if you will. Now, whenever a stock is halted, like this one over here, WNW, BDRX, right? If there's a halt that occurs, like you can see all these stocks halted at 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, okay? That's usually an indication that these are reverse splits, and if they are reverse splits, what oftentimes happens is the price action dips on the reverse splits, and then maybe, within a certain period of time, whether it be a day, a two, or the same day, they can potentially recover if the float is lower, especially if news pops up, and end up running. We'll see what happens with these stocks. We're going to go over some other stocks in a few minutes, but first, we're going to need to get a share party. We got to get to the first 100 while I get myself some coffee doubles. We're going to go over ONDS in a moment. Let me put it up here. This is a heavier floated stock. It's an interesting stock because ONDS has arrangements with Palantir. Palantir is a big data company. So ONDS has arrangements with Palantir, PL. And I don't know what Palantir's ticker is, but anyway, ONDS has arrangements with Palantir. And Palantir has arrangements with the U.S. government for big data technology, military applications, and things of that nature. So all of that stuff. So it's going to be a stock that we're going to keep an eye on. We got a couple of messages here. Let's see. Kel 9930, will the dilution affect BDRX? Well, dilution can always affect stocks in a negative way, but before they dilute, they're going to be doing a reverse split, which basically is a way to achieve a price above $1. So let me explain. We're going to get into some funky, fresh information right now, Doubles. We're going to get into some funky, fresh information. Here we go. So what exactly is a reverse split? Let's go to BDRX, which is going to be doing a reverse split. BDRX. Before we talk about a reverse split, let's talk about what a stock split is, okay? So a stock split is generally a sign that a company is doing very well, okay? So you will typically see a stock split when a company is doing well and their stock certificate is starting to stocks that have gone well over $1,000 a share, $2,000 a share. So what they end up doing is they do a stock split where they reduce the stock price. In other words, let's say, for example, there's 100 shares of outstanding stocks, for argument's sake, just to keep it simple, and each share is trading for sharing for $1,000, okay? But they want the stock to trade for $100 a share to make it more affordable so that more people can trade it and more people can buy the stock certificates. What they will do is they will take the stocks that are available, right? And they will divide them up by 10, right? And now if you own one share at $1,000, and they want it to go down, to $100, they'll give you 10 shares at $100, which equals the same value as one share at $1,000. So in essence, the float increases 10x. That is a split, okay? And that is usually a good sign because that means the company is doing very well. People desire the stock. They're profitable. Their financials are in good shape, and so on and so forth, okay? So that's a split. Now let's talk about a reverse split. Let's get into the funky, fresh definition of a reverse split. A reverse split, I tell you. I tell you. I tell you, what's a reverse split? Let's talk about that. A reverse split is really a misnomer. Okay, a reverse split is not it's not a split at all. It's actually a combination, and it's usually done by stocks that are not performing well, that have poor financials, and in many instances they do not meet the requirements of the exchange that they're trading on. One of the exchanges is NASDAQ, which is the most common exchange that you'll see a situation where a reverse split comes to be. Why does it happen? Well, it happens because they have certain rules. Like, for example, there needs to be at least a $1 price point on each share of stocks. But a lot of these stocks oftentimes go below that, like BDRX is 84 cents. So it is technically in violation of the $1 minimum rule. So what they'll do is they'll do what's called a reverse split. Again, a misnomer. It's not really a reverse split. What it is it's a combination. It's the opposite of a split. So they should really call it opposite of a split, or they should call it a combination of shares. What they'll do is, let's say, for example, you want the stock to be trading at $10 a share, but it's at $1 a share right now. Okay. What they'll do is they'll combine 10 shares to make the $1 shares add up to $10. So they combine the shares, which reduces the float. Okay, it reduces the float. So think of it this way. Let's say there's 100 shares in the float, for argument's sake, to keep it simple. Okay, and they are at $1 a piece, and the company needs to get it to $10 for whatever reason. Okay, what they'll do is they'll divide the 100 shares by 10, and every share will have the price value of 10 shares, but the float gets dropped by 10. So that 100 share outstanding float gets divided by 10. Now the float is 10, and now instead of 10 people owning 10 shares apiece, it would be at $1 a share. The 10 people now own one share each at $10 a piece, and it still adds up to $100, which is the market cap, but the amount of shares is reduced. So the float drops, but the cost of the individual share goes up. So you have a less float and a higher price per share, which would then allow the company to achieve whatever their objectives are, right? So with BDRX, what's going to end up happening is it's going to be worth, at the current price right now at 84 cents, it's going to be worth just under $5 once the reverse split comes into play. Now, because the company is doing a reverse split to achieve its minimum bid of $1, this is not a healthy way for a company stock to go up. What it suggests is that the financials for the company are not good. Okay, so let's get a share party going on, because I'm giving you an education over how, right? Let's educate the indelible tribe. Let's get a share party going on. I'm gonna have me some coffee, and then we'll talk about it a little bit more in depth. All right, okay, let's go. Mm. Mm. Okay, so basically what ends up happening with the reverse split, it oftentimes happens because the company's not doing well. Think about this. If the stock price is falling under $1, the financials for the company are probably not good. Okay, the company's not generating revenue to make the stock price stay above the dollar amount. So what they're doing is they're doing this reverse split or this combination of a share. In BDRX's situation, it's a 5-for-1 combination, right? And that takes the price above the dollar share. When traders see this, oftentimes the price action starts to collapse as a result of that. So what can eventually happen is the price action can start moving upward. Now, here's the thing with BDRX. The thing that's really interesting about BDRX is that with BDRX, it already put news out that they're combining, one of the subsidiaries is having a business combination, right? So they did that on Thursday. The price action spiked, right? And this is all prior to the reverse split that Bobo Beeps found for us, right? Now on this, and then there's the sell-off. And there was a sell-off most likely than not because they probably diluted after that pop. Okay. All right. So now the price action drops. They go ahead and do the reverse split. The stock price is going to probably shoot up to around just shy of $5. Okay. There might be a pullback on the price action. And again, this is speculation, but this is what typically happens with these stocks when they do these reverse splits. There's usually a pullback because most traders are going to realize, hey, this company is not doing well. They did a reverse split. But with BDRX specifically, they put news out that was pretty strong, right? And they already started out with a low float stock. This stock was under 900,000 shares before the reverse split. They're going to go ahead and do a reverse split that's going to make the stock have a float of under 200,000 shares. Okay, and I wouldn't be surprised if they recirculate more information about the business combination that's coming up, and that could potentially trigger a parabolic move on BDRX. The issue is going to be that there's going to be so little float that getting in and out of the position is going to be quite challenging. Okay, because you need, enough shares to be available in order to have liquidity. So getting in and out of the position is going to be very, very potentially very, very challenging. So we're going to have to keep an eye on what kind of volume this gets, what kind of a response this gets. My guess is that there might be an initial pullback once the actual reverse split happens, and then probably excitement on the fact that there was already news last week, and this is going to be really, really a super low floated stock by the time the reverse split happens. But we're really going to need to take a look at the volume and the share structure to really see what happens. And we'll see that on Monday. It's on our watch list, and that added wrinkle that Bobo Beeps shared with the community is very important. Very important. Very important. So that's the story. Jimmy Jean said that MOBX has a 1-for-10 split Tuesday, not Monday. Tuesday, not Monday. Let's take a look at that. All right. Now this is a heavy floated stock, right, guys? So this one has a 90 million float share. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. MobX, and they too are putting some news out. Okay, so MobX has the reverse split. Let's see if I can pull it up over here. Okay, here we go. So here's the news right here. Let me pull it up. All right, so MobX, and this is how we use the news feature from our custom scanner information in the private Discord. Ladies and gentlemen, the link is in the description for a 4-day trial, as well as in the pinned comment for the Discord for $9.99. You'll have access to the news. You'll also have access to the scanners, right? Like the market mover scanners, as well as other scanners as well. Let me go back to the newsroom. This is the newsroom. Okay. And with MobX, shares are down during Thursday's pre-market session. This is yesterday's news, since today is closed, following the announcement of a reverse split aimed at increasing the pre-share trading price to comply with NASDAQ listing requirements. Makes complete sense because MobX, which we're going to put on the screen over here, is trading at under $1, so it's not in compliance with NASDAQ rules, right? All right, so the stock decline comes as the broader market experiences losses. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ are both sliding, adding pressure to shares as investors digest implication for the company's future. MobX Labs announced a 1-for-10 split, which will take effect at 4 p.m. Eastern Time on April 6th. So it's actually going to happen on Monday, but it's going to happen in after hours, and it will take effect, obviously, in after hours. So it's actually happening on the 6th. Let me just make sure that the 6th is Monday. I want to make sure I'm not giving you the wrong information. Let me see. Yeah, Monday is the 6th, all right? So it's actually happening in after hours on Monday, okay? And it's going to be a 10-for-1 split. This stock currently has about 90 million shares of float. So the float is very heavy on MobX. And again, MobX is a military-based type of stock that's had a lot of activity due to the activity that's happening in the Middle East. You have military conflict in the Middle East. This company is involved in producing parts for the F-22 Raptor, I think it's called, which is a military plane that the United States uses. So, based on that information, it is moving, and they just put out some information that there are more orders that are supposed to be coming in. But again, that news is a projection and not actual cash in hand. So we have to take that into consideration. But the reverse split is going to be 10-to-1. Right now, the price is at 34 cents. So by the time this particular reverse split happens, if the price stays at this amount, which it won't, because again, it's supposed to happen at 4 p.m. on Monday, but let's assume that it's going to be around 34 cents at that time. We're going to be looking at the price going up to around $3.40. What's up, brother? On Twitter, how you doing, my brother? How are you? So what's going to happen with this reverse split of 10 to 1? It'll basically bring the price action up to around $3.40, which gets us above that $1 compliance. But more importantly, what's going to happen is it's going to reduce the float significantly. So MobX current float right now, and this is important, guys, okay? This is important. Let's go through this, okay? So currently, right? Currently, the float is 93 million, okay? When they do the reverse split, you divide the float by the amount of the split. So because you're going to be getting rid of that many shares. So what's going to end up happening is this is going to become a 9.3 million float stock, significantly lower than what it currently is right now. Okay, still not a super low float stock, but it's still considerably lower than what it currently is. And if they try to recirculate news about any kind of military stuff, or if we see any more activity starting to increase in the Middle East, MobX could potentially end up having a price spike after this reverse split. But again, the reverse split is generally a negative news result and generally causes the price action to drop. And what we're seeing right now is that the stock is kind of extended already and the price action on the RSI is dipping. But again, this split doesn't happen until 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we don't know what's going to happen pre-market and regular hours. So we're going to have to let volume dictate what's going to happen with MobX. Okay, so that's the story with MobX. Let's see, we got some other information here. Boa Beeps says, thanks for following up on the news. Boa Beeps, thank you for letting us know about that reverse split. That was great stuff. Kel says, great information. My pleasure. And said, thanks for the information. My pleasure, my pleasure. Our friend from X said, hello, brother, and how are you? And I'm doing well, brother. I hope you're doing well. God bless everybody. I hope everyone's having a fantastic Friday and is enjoying the day off from trading. Let's get some education and knowledge out there, and let's help each other out. Let's just have a great time, man. Our friend from X said, do you remember UCAR? I'm still in with around $4. What do you think about it? Let's take a look at UCAR. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at UCAR. Let's see what it says here. Let's see. UCAR. Let's take a look at the chart. You're in at $4. Okay. All right. So that is up here. All right. So let's go ahead and put a marker so we know exactly what price you're in. And the price has dipped significantly since then. All right. So let's see what's going on here with this price action. It's been going down quite a bit since then. Okay, let's take a look at the share structure of the company. Let me take a look at the float and volume. That's what I like to do first. I go into our custom scanners in our Discord and look at the float and volume, because the float and volume tells me what the supply and demand is for the particular stock. Okay, the supply and demand. Now, UCAR actually closed up about 30% on Thursday. Okay, and it has a very low float of 2 million. That's your supply of shares that are available for trading, and it actually had a little bit over 6 million in volume, which gives us a 3-to-1 ratio. I like to see minimum 4 to 6, let's say 4 to 6 times the float, the volume to the float ratio. I like to see at least 4x, right? And it really depends on whether it's pre-market, regular hours, or after hours. But if it's regular hours, I want to see at least 4 to 6 times. Okay, the more volume, the better. Okay, so this hasn't really had a lot of volume. Let's take a look at some news to see if there's any news for UCAR that we can actually see. Let's see if there's any news catalysts coming down the pike. UCAR came out with news yesterday in the morning. So let's go and take a look at the news. And again, we're using the search feature in the Discord. ladies and gentlemen. So there's a link in the description for a 4-day pass so you can gain access to all the features that we have, the scanners, the news, and all that. And then again, a lot of people might say, oh, the news is not important. Of course it's important. It's important to see how strong the catalyst is, okay? The news in and of itself may not move the stock, or it may move the stock, but if the stock is moving or potentially moving, you want to know what the catalyst is. Anybody that tells you that information is not important is lying to you. Okay, make sure that you don't pay attention to people that tell you not to look at information, because they're not telling you the truth. They're either really not that smart or they're straight up lying to you. Okay, so always remember that. So we see the news right here. Okay, and UPower says over here, which is UCAR, expects to complete station deployment and commerce operations of Hong Kong taxi battery swapping project in Q2 of 2026. This is the news that came out yesterday. It's a Chinese stock, so it's going to be pretty volatile, and these stocks tend to move on lower volume, and they tend to be a lot more rambunctious, if you will. In other words, they don't hold their price that well, so they can go up really quick and they can reverse really quick. So it's not for the light of heart. Let's see what the news actually says. The press release says that UPower Limited, a provider of specialized solutions for next generation energy networks and intelligence transportation systems, announced that following it's securing an order for 1,000 battery swapping heavy duty trucks in Thailand and completing production of the first batch of vehicles, its Hong Kong taxi battery swapping project is also expected to complete station deployment and commence operations in the second quarter of 2026. This development marks a new stage of full commercial rollout for UPower Limited battery swapping business for commercial vehicles across the Asian market. So that it has news, but the one thing that I want to point out, okay, the one thing that I want to point out about the news is the one line that specifically says the following. It's Hong Kong-based taxi battery swapping project is also expected to complete station deployment and commence operations in the second quarter of 2026. So this is a prediction, guys, right? So you got to weigh the value of the news based on the language that they're using. They did not say that this has been deployed. They said they expect it to be deployed. So when that happens, there's a degree of ambiguity in the news, and that type of ambiguity can oftentimes attract people that look to short the stocks, because the people that look to short a stock will say to themselves, well, you know what? Then they didn't definitely complete this deployment. And there might be a lot of retailers buying into this news, expecting it to be strong news, and they don't realize that the price action can flip on them in a moment, and we're going to short the stock, in which case it has difficulty going up. That's one angle. The other angle is it's a very low floated stock, right? So the news came out on the 6th. If there's not that many other stocks moving on Monday, this could potentially run. So the issue is going to be, is there going to be volume, and is there going to be attention on UCAR? And a lot of it is really going to depend on whether or not other stocks are running, right? If there's other stocks running with good solid news, then maybe UCAR doesn't run. But if there aren't any other stocks moving, this is a low float stock. It does have news. It's not the best news, but it's not horrible news, right? So there's a possibility. So for me, it's going to be a question of whether or not the stock has volume that pushes it along. But one of the things that I want you to notice is that you could take a look at the relative strength index here on the chart, and whenever you see the RSI thick like this, that's usually an indication that there's heavy trading by both the bid on the bid side and the ask side, which suggests that there's a lot of tension between the bulls that are going long and the bears that are going short, and that oftentimes causes a lot of price chop. So let's go ahead and expand the chart so we could take a look at it, and you can see that the price is in fact very, very choppy, right? And again, the fact that it's a Chinese company makes it makes it very choppy. That tends to be the nature of most of these Chinese companies. Now, that being said, it does look like it's formed a bit of a cup and handle type of pattern, which would be a bullish pattern, right? And the price is stacked with the 9 EMA above the VWAP. Okay. But we don't have a lot of volume, and we don't have any clear signal from the RSI. So I'm going to be looking to see if volume comes in, and I'm also going to be paying attention to what's going on with other stocks. So here's some funky, fresh information for y'all, right? We're going to get into some funky, fresh information. What a lot of people do wrong, in my opinion, is they get fixated on one stock without paying attention to what's going on with another stock. So they might jump on a stock that has news, right? And the news is so-so, and then all of a sudden another stock comes out with better news, a lower float, okay, higher volume, and it starts running, and a lot of the attention jumps from the first stock to the new, fresh stock, and now all of a sudden the old stock stalls out. Right? So one of the mistakes that are commonly made is getting fixated on just one stock and not paying attention to the fact that the stock is not an island in and of itself. You have to be aware of what other stocks are also running and whether or not other stocks are more attractive than the stock that you are currently dealing with. So that's some funky, fresh information. Funky, fresh. Let's get to the first 200, bruh. Let's get to the first 200. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Doubles, why don't you tell them a little bit about our different social media, and of course, coming into the Discord. Here you go. I'll be right back. I'm going to get me a fresh cup of coffee, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be right back.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. And remember to share, because sharing is caring, ladies and gentlemen. Sharing is caring. And of course, if you want access to our private Discord, the link to join is in the description down below, as well as the pinned comment section. So be sure to check that out, because we pick a lot of baggers a lot of times. We are just made different, and the early bird gets the cash. And ladies and gentlemen, be sure to check us out on our YouTube at Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of live streaming, lots of videos, lots of stock reviews, stock analysis. We got long form videos, short form videos, funny shorts, motivational shorts, etc., all of which are on YouTube. So be sure to ring that bell icon to stay notified when new videos are uploaded. All right. Be sure to check out our X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of stock reviews, stock analysis, and live streaming as well there. All right. Be sure to check that out. Be sure to give it a follow. Be sure to give it a heart, a repost, all that good stuff. Be sure to follow us on X. Be sure to set the notifications up there as well, so you don't miss any posts. All right, because we do check out the stock market quite a bit there as well. You can find us on our Twitch at Coaching Money, at Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of stock reviews, stock analysis, and the live streaming as well. We do primarily live streaming there. You can check us out there. Be sure to give us a like and follow. Be sure to follow us on our Twitch. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coaching Money, at Coach Nick, at Coaching Money, where we do lots of stock reviews, stock analysis, and other wonderful stuff there. Be sure to give it a like. Be sure to give it a share. Be sure to give it a follow. And of course, be sure to check us out on TikTok, Tiki-Taki, aka the Tac Tac. The Tac Tac. You can find us there at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, where we do lots of stock reviews and stock analysis there, as well as some funny shorts and, of course, motivational shorts there as well. Be sure to give us a follow there. Be sure to check that out. And yeah, I'm going to bring you back to Coach right over here.
Did you tell him about the Discord?
Yeah, I already told him.
Tell him about the Discord. Okay,
yeesh.
Let's go ahead and get funky fresh with some more
Yeesh.
information. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Okay, all right, folks. So that's the story. Let's see. We got our friend said to us it has to go over $1 or they will delist. Yeah, that's usually a minimum bid requirement for most of these exchanges, and UCAR is is not immune to that. So they have the same situation. It does need to get over $1. It 100% needs to get over $1. It is a NASDAQ based stock. So what you said is accurate. A lot of times they'll do that by doing a reverse split, which is very common, or they'll do that. But they'll get an extension. If they get an extension, that oftentimes can cause a rally with the price action on the stock as well. So you're 100% correct on that. That is accurate. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to jump into the Fortnite and get a victory royale for the community. Get your questions in the chat. Go ahead and put all your questions in because we're going to go over a lot of stuff right now. A lot of stuff. If you got some questions and you want some information and you want to learn, now is the time. We don't have to worry about looking at stocks and things like that for the day because the stock market's closed. So I wanted to get this stream going. Let's get a share party. Let's get over 200, 300 people. We're almost at 200. Let's make it, give me some motivation to talk. I need questions, folks. Please put questions in there. It makes the stream a lot easier for me and a lot more educational for you. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's get those questions in there. It really helps out a lot. We want those questions. Don't be shy. Don't be embarrassed. There's no dumb questions. I'm not going to, ever say to you, don't ask the question. Ask the question. And if I got an answer for you, I'll give it to you. Don't worry. Don't worry. All right, here we go, doubles. Here we go, doubles. Here we go. We're in the Fortnite game. Let's get a dub for the community. And we're going to be talking about other stocks like ONDS. GV was another stock that ran on Thursday. GV ran Parabolic on Thursday. And we're going to start reviewing it after this game. So we're going to review it shortly. BDRX. Okay, yeah, we'll definitely get into BDRX. Let me go ahead and pull it up so we can take a look at it. I already discussed it a little bit, but this stock is also going through a reverse split. We got that information from our boy, Bobo Beeps, in the audience. He picked it out. There's a reverse split on this stock that was announced on March 18th, and the reverse split is actually going to happen on Friday. I'm sorry, on Monday. I'm sorry, not November. What am I saying? April 6th, this coming Monday. April 6th, this coming Monday, guys. So we'll go into charting it in about a second. Let's get that victory royale, and then we'll go ahead and check out that stock. BDRX. We're going to also go over a heavier floated stock, ONDS, which is a very interesting stock. And there's people that are probably thinking about swinging it. I'm not a swing player as far as stocks are concerned, but it's a very interesting stock, and I want to talk about it because of its association with Palantir. And I'm going to explain what Palantir, what that company is about. A lot of people already know, but I'm going to get into it a little bit more in depth in a few minutes. All right, let's get that victory royale. I'm thinking that the game is going to be pretty sweaty, doubles, because it is an extended weekend, right? And the children are out of the school, and whenever they're out of school, you know what happens with that, right, doubles? The game gets a little sweaty. All right, let's get that victory royal first for the people, or as our boy Bobo Beeps likes to call it. He likes to call it a Victor Romeo, baby. Let's get a Victor Romeo. I like to call it giving them a shellac-a-lackin' and winning. I like to win. Oh, we got somebody shooting the coach, eh? Oh, my gracious. What are you doing, fella? Ooh, I'm feeling this gun, bro. Doubles, I'm feeling that gun, bro. Right? Did you see that, bro? Yo, that gun was nasty, son. Holy Toledo! All right, Indelibles, let's get it done. Let's get that victory royale. Let's get that share party. Let's get the 300. We're over 200. Let's go for 300. And put those questions in. Let me know what you want to know. Because I got you. I'll go over all this stuff with you. You want to learn about various things that you never really knew about? I got you. I'll educate you. Explain it to you. Education's power, baby. Education is power. Don't believe the hype. People tell you everything's easy, everything's simple. Nah, man. Everything becomes easier as you educate yourself. Don't believe the baloney. Whoa! We got an enemy here. Oh, where you at, fella? Right there. Get out of here, bro. 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 Get out of my game, bruh! What you trying to do, fool? What you thinking, fool? What you thinking, fool? Oh no, somebody else is here, doubles! Oh my migration, bro! What's going on here, bro? Whoop, 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 whoop. You know what, bro? I'm outie. I'm outie 5,000, bro. I'm outie, bro. I'm outie, bro. Now, let's reposition and let's get this fool out of our game, bro. Look at all these mats I ended up spending on these critters, bro. What the heck, bro? What the heck, bro? All right, I need some shield, bro. Right, doubles? I need shield, don't I? I do want to eliminate this guy, though. Where you at, bruh? Where is he? Yeah, I wanted to go and get a weapon down there, but this guy is down there, and I don't know where he's at, bro. You know? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know where you want to go. I don't know where this guy's at, bro. It bothers me. It bothers me some, you know? I don't want to say nothing, but it upsets me. But you know what? I got mats, so I don't mind going at it again. I just don't really have shield, bro. You know? I don't really have shield. That's the problem, bro. If I had shield, I would feel a little bit more ornery. You know what? I'm gonna go down. Oh, he's right there, bro. He's right there. Look, he's right there. I missed every shot, bro. Where is he? Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Man. What's wrong with these guys, bro? Doubles, did you catch that? These folks are out of control, bro. I think I'm going to keep this gun. I like it, bro. You know? I kind of like it, dude. I ain't going to lie to you. I'm kind of enjoying this gun. Right? Alright. Is there any weapons that I really want over here? Let me see. Let's see. Let's see. Nah, not really. What is that? Unstable voltage burst? What is that? Nah, man. Nah, man. How about, you know what? What I do want You know what I do want, bro? I want me... Nah, you know what, bro? You know what? Never mind, bro. I don't know, Doubles. What do you think, bro? Maybe we'll go ahead and upgrade this fella a little bit. How about we upgrade this fella a little bit? There we go. Right? Somebody's here, bro. Let's get out of here, bro. Woo-wee! Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's get that shit party. Let's get to 300. Let's get it done. Oh, look, it's a castle, bro. It's a castle. You know, I actually got that. That's my build right there. Why don't I go and get it? Why don't I go and get it, you know? Might as well, right? It's my build. And I want it. My build and I want it, I tell you. Let me go get some of this loot. Give me a half pot. Come on. Half pot. Half pot. Half pot. No? Ooh, splashies. Why not? Why not, bruh? Why not? Why not, bruh? Why not? Ooh, just one splashy? Nah. Take the minis instead, bruh. Ooh, what's this down here, Doubles? What is this? Any lusciousness in here, bruh? Ooh-wee! Lusciousness, come on. Give me some lusciousness. Come on now. Give me some lusciousness now. Come on now. Anime. Get out of town, bruh. Come on now. What's wrong with you? Get out of here, bruh. What are you doing, bruh? Bruh. Woo-wee. Let's go, baby. Come on now. I ain't only good at styles. Come on now. I'm also good at fork and knife, bruh. Let's get it. Let's get it, Doubles. What do you think, Doubles? Come on now. I hope I get that victory royal for the community. That would be particularly lovely, wouldn't it, bruh? It would be particularly lovely. Let's see. Is there anything I want over here, bruh? Anything I want? I probably want some heals, bruh. Oh, a chuggy juggy, bro. A chuggy juggy. You know what, bro? I want two of them, bro. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro. I'm goody two shoes, bro. Goody two shoes, bro. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Come on now. Let's get it done. How many folks are here? Doubles, we got 4 enemies, Doubles. We got 4 of them, bruh. Bruh. We got 4 enemies here. Bruh. I tell you, we got 4 enemies here. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it done. Let's get it done, bruh. Oh my. Come on now. Get off the ice. Come on, get off the ice, bro. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Ooh, look at all this. Look at all this chaos over here, Doubles. Look, Doubles. Chaos over here, Doubles. Chaos. Oh my. Oh migration. Oh my. We got an enemy nearby. Oh my. Oh migration. Oh my. Come on, fella. You wanna lock horns with the coach? Do you want to lock on with the coach? Never mind. I was just kidding. Doubles. I was just kidding, bro. This guy took it so serious. What the heck, bro? Come on, fella. Ooh, look at that. There's lusciousness here too. Really? Man, all this goodness. All right. We need to get out of here. I don't want to be low like this. I want to be higher up. You know what I mean, Doubles? I want to be higher up. And I'm going to wait. I'm just going to wait. You know, bide my time, Doubles. You know what I mean? Just bide it, bro. Yep, that's what I'm going to do. Bide my time. All right, let's see where the zone's going to pull. You know they got a hot tub right over here, Doubles? Did you know that?
Yes.
And it actually gives you heals, bro. It heals you. Yeah, that little bit of a hot tub, bro. For real, for real. Oh, I'm out of gas. I'm out of gasolina, bro. I'm out of gasolina, bro. I'm out of gasolina, bro. All right, let's chill out. Let's chill out. I'm good. I got mats. I got ammo. You feel me? You know what? Nah, I want to move in more. What the heck is this, bro? Look at this. Somebody had a truck over here. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, Doubles. Look at that. Holy moly, Doubles. Look at that. Look at that. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Holy moly. Let's go over here, bro. Can I get up there? Can I get up? Can I get up this place or what? Look at all these chugs, bro. What is all this? Oh my goodness, bro. Look at all this. Alright, what are we doing over here? Oh, somebody took a battle with me. They selected a battle with me, bro. They selected a battle. I need to not be fighting this guy, though, you know? There's only three people left. 2 enemies and me. There goes one guy right there. Right over there is one guy right there. He's the guy who's got the thing with me. The rivalry. And I don't want to be fighting him because then the third party's going to end up taking my victory royale as I tussle with a fella. You know what I mean, Doubles?
Yeah,
We don't want that. We don't want none of that, Doubles. So I'm going to lay low and try to see what's going on over here. I'm not in zone, Doubles. I'm not in zone, Doubles. I'm not in zone, Doubles. This is no bueno, no bueno, no bueno, bro. We need some lusciousness here. All right. How do we get up? How do we get up? I don't know. I do not want to fight this guy right now. I don't want that. Somebody's coming, bruh. Zipline right there. Ooh, no, 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 naughty, 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 naughty. All right, let's get that. See, now this is where my Slurpee drink over here is going to come into play. This guy's pushing, bro. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get the heck out of town, bro. Yes, sir. Oh, bro, he shot me down. He freaking shot me down, bro. Really, bro? Oh, man. I want to see this guy get eliminated, though. Oh, bro, you are the worst. I hate you. I don't like you. You're rotten. You're a scoundrel. Get out of my juice. Stop drinking my juice, bro. Stop it. Stop it. I want this guy to get eliminated, bro. That was annoying. That was very annoying, bro. Oh, my goodness. He shot me down, bro. My fault. I should have put a cap on it. I should have capped the floor, you know? You know? Ah, horrible, dude. Horrible. So unfortunate. No, 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 no. Oh, come on, bro. You better than that. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ah, boo, boo. Boo. Enemy, enemy, enemy. No. All right, we're going to go take a look at BDRX Doubles. BDRX, let's take a look at it. All right, let's go through this. So the situation with BDRX, our friend from Twitter was asking about BDRX. We spoke about it a little bit earlier. So it is going to go through a 5-to-1 reverse split. All right, BDRX is going to be going through a 5-to-1 reverse split on Monday. Let's see if we can. Do we have a time for it? Let's see if we can have a time for it. Let's go into our custom scanners on the Discord. This is how we use our custom scanners to get information, right? And the news feature. right? Let's go to March 18th, which Bobo Beeps told us was when the news came out. So let's go and see if there's any news as to what time on Monday BDRX is going to be executing its reverse split. So this was announced on the 18th of March that the reverse split was going to happen. And did it say what time, Doubles? Take a look. Take a look. No, it didn't say on the 18th what time the reverse split is going to happen, but we can see BDRX right here. We can see that it has in fact been halted. BDRX. Let's take a look at it. Up. Where is it? Hold on. There we go. Come on. BDRX has in fact been halted. So in our news feed, right, we can see that at 5:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, that BDRX was in fact halted. Let's get a share party. So that's indicative that the reverse split's they're definitely getting ready for the reverse split. Whenever there's a halt that happens in after hours that is not related to price action, that's usually an indication that they're going to start setting up for the reverse split. And obviously this is going to happen. And we could see that at 7:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 7:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there was that reverse split just before the close of the market. So most likely than not, this stock is going to end up doing its reverse split sometime Monday morning. A lot of times they don't let them trade pre-market, and they'll end up starting to trade as they get closer to the open of the regular hours or in regular hours. So that's the story with this stock. It's going to go through a 5-to-1 reverse split, and that's going to happen probably sometime early on Monday. If the halt stays in place, what you'll end up seeing is the price will go 84 cents times 5, which puts us at around something like $4 and change. And this chart won't be completely accurate at that point. The float already very low, under 900,000 shares. With a 5-to-1 split, it's going to be under 200,000 shares. So the float is going to be super low, but reverse splits generally bring price action down because it's perceived as a negative on the company, at least initially, right? But this company also had merger news that came out yesterday, Thursday, right? So they might give further news out on Thursday once the actual reverse split is executed, and it's going to be under 200,000 float. Right? So it's going to be super low. And if no other stocks are running, or even if there are other stocks running, this one could potentially be a big runner, maybe, right? Volume is going to dictate, right? If volume exceeds the float by a lot, which won't take much to do because it's going to be such a low floater, this could potentially be a parabolic runner. So it's on our watch list. It is one of the stocks that we're absolutely going to be keeping an eye on. BDRX. That's the story. That's what's going on with it. All right, let's take a look at GV. Now, GV has earnings coming up on April 15th, and GV also ran quite aggressively on Thursday. Okay, it ran quite aggressively, and it closed out being up well over 100% on Thursday. GV. So let's go ahead and get the news up on it. Let's see what we got on GV. Let's go and check it out. GV. Let's check it out. Okay. So Visionary Holdings stock. That's the name of the company. And it had news out early this morning. There was some news on it. Look at that. Shares are trading lower in after hours action, pulling back after a sharp rally earlier in the week following the company's $20 million investment announcement. So they had a $20 million investment announcement. The decline suggests the rally has cooled down after the deal-driven surge. Investment details. Under the agreement, Visionary Holdings, ticker symbol GV, will launch an anti-aging research center and related health center in China. So this is a China stock. So again, it's going to be very choppy. Generally speaking, these Chinese stocks will move on light volume, and they will very quickly turn either bullish or bearish at the drop of a hat. That's typically what happens with these Chinese stocks. With the $20 million investment released in milestone-based tranches, and potential for an additional $10 million. So it could be potentially up to $30 million. The CEO, a guy named Hao, said the deal sets a defined framework while the company targets profitability for its first center within 1 year. Price action: GV closed the regulatory session at 44 cents, up 116% before falling 21% to 35 cents in after-hours trading, according to Benzinga data. Data. So that's GV. So let's take a look at the share structure of GV, all right? Because this is a stock on our watch list, and then we'll go ahead and do some charting on it. Some charting on GV. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 300. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get to 300. Let's get a share party. All right, the float is low on the stock at 5 million, and the session volume on Thursday was astronomical at 579 million shares. So that's what we got going on with this ticker, right? So had news, okay, sold off pretty aggressively. So one of the things that we want to see is we want to see the price action pull towards the volume weighted average. That's going to be very important. Okay, want to see that. I want to see it get, I want to see it challenge, challenge the 43 cent mark. Okay, now right now you could see that after putting out that news, what it did was it almost completely round tripped. Right, it tried to rally, right? It pushed off. It was very choppy. Right? You can see how all this chop, a lot of top tails, but it eventually pushed all the way up and then started coming down, tried to recover and continued to break down. So one of the things that we want to see is we want to see this 9 EMA and price action start curling and moving up towards the volume weighted average. Let's do a Fibonacci retracement on it so that we can have a clear idea of some key levels of support and resistance for GV. All right. So one resistance area that it needs to break above is 38 cents, and it needs to break above 43 cents. So 38 cents and 43 cents are key levels of resistance for GV. And GV needs to break those two levels of resistance. Very important. RSI is oversold, so it's cooled off. We see that it's trying to curl back upward. That's good. We want to see it continue to move upward. We want to see volume candles come upward. And again, it's a relatively lower floated stock. It is under $1. Again, also potentially at risk of delisting. So all of these stocks need to get above $1. I don't know if there's any news on this one eventually doing a reverse split, but it needs to definitely get above $1. And sometimes these stocks actually run simply because they're under $1, and a lot of traders see that they're a relatively low float type of a stock and they want to see the price action get over that $1 figure, and they anticipate it's going to happen, and they'll trade based on that. That sometimes is actually what actually happens, right? So we'll see what happens with it. It ran aggressively on Thursday. Let's see what the deal is with that. Oh, you know who just messaged me? Snow just messaged me. Yeah, he just messaged me. Let me talk to him. Maybe we could play with him. I'm streaming. Do you mind if I play some games? Do you mind if I am streaming? I like Snow. I hope he wants to play. Yeah, I'd love to have him come on. I'm streaming. Do you mind if I'm streaming? That's what I messaged him. Let me send an invite to him. Let me send an invite. He's playing with our boy Hover. Let me see if they're still on. They're playing OG actually. So let me go and talk to them. Maybe we can go over stocks and actually play some OG with our friends. Let me request to join them, and let me see what they say. Yeah, that'll be pretty cool. That'll be pretty cool. Let's see what they say. Hey guys, what's going
Coach
on?
Yeah, there we go.
Nick.
Well, we got the old squad.
Oh, what's going on, boys?
All right, what do we do though? Now we have 4.
Oh, you got 5. Well, guys, I'm streaming, so
Yeah,
I don't want to.
5.
I'm streaming,
okay,
guys.
we
Can
need
you
4. Yeah,
can you,
you're right,
can you
yeah.
guys hear me?
If you guys want, I could back out so you guys could play.
No, it's been a while. You've been a while since you played with Coach.
Oh, wait a
I can
minute.
sit out
Tiago's there.
for-
Can you guys hear me? I don't know if they could.
Bamboo, thank you.
I don't know if they could hear me.
That was very kind of you.
Yo, that's the reason
How
why
you been, Coach?
Hey, can
the
you
reason
hear
why
me?
Bambu's VIP on my stream.
Am I muted?
He's got manners.
I'm mute. Oh,
Yeah.
hey guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, so here's the deal. I'm doing a stream right now. I got about 304 folks on the stream. Do you guys mind if I'm on the stream?
Yes, sir.
Go for it.
And I'm going to end up talking about stocks later on, so I'll go ahead and jump out if it, not to disrupt your gameplay,
Yeah, not a problem.
All right, cool. Let's do it. What's going on, fellas? So, what a nice treat. Everybody's here. Let's go.
All right. Yeah,
Let's
it's been like a year or two since I've had Tiago and Coach in the same lobby. I feel.
Oh,
Yeah, I see Tiago on stream quite a bit, but I'm not able to join him because I'm usually playing with other teams. Good to see everybody. We got Hover, we got Tiago. Let's go. We got Snow. This is the old crew.
I don't even know if I've seen you on stream for a while, Tiago. Shoot, now I feel guilty.
Streaming on Twitch or
Yeah, I guess on Twitch.
I haven't been streaming on Twitch, only on TikTok.
Wow,
TikTok,
Tiago,
okay.
your voice changed, bro.
Yeah, I'm fucking 20 years old now.
Wow, man, you got a deep, deep voice, bro. I didn't even recognize it.
Appreciate you.
I love it. Yeah, so we got about 307 folks. We've been talking about stocks for Monday, and we've been playing some Fortnite. I played some regular Fortnite and came in. What did I come in? Second or third? Second. Third. I came in third place, man. Guy shot me out from underneath. I should have put a floor and a cone, but I only put a floor, and he shot the floor and it fell. It happens, right? Yeah.
Yeah, these games are sweaty. Hey,
Yeah.
Coach, I remind me, or I'll try to just remind myself. I am working on a trading view, like 2 indicators,
Sure.
and I'm using AI basically, but I basically told it what I wanted and how I trade,
Yep.
and I've been tweaking it a little bit, and I've compared it to Lux Algo, which is like $1,000 or so indicator,
Mhm.
and it's about the same. It's pretty close.
I got to tell you, I have a lot of experience with my son Nick.
Yeah?
With a lot of that stuff. So yeah, we can
Yeah,
definitely.
maybe it won't be helpful. I don't know, but you can check it out and test it out. But it's optimized for like kind of how I trade, but it seems to work pretty well for just about anything.
Yeah, without a doubt. We
like-
actually utilize AI as well. You kind of have to use AI to supplement what we do. With our own knowledge, like we use our own knowledge, but we use the AI tools to speed things up.
Yeah, perfect. Do you guys want to go for the mega chests that are over here?
Yeah, we can.
I'm down for anywhere.
Sure, let's do it.
So if you go inside the mountain, I'll stay outside. But inside the mountain on the bottom, there's a mega chest.
Is it all the way at the bottom? Yeah.
Yeah, at the bottom. It's inside
Okay.
a bust, I think.
Okay.
It's not bad. Not a bad spot.
Is it smack inside over there? Oh, there it is. I see
It's
it.
kind of like right. I think one of the.
There's like a tunnel inside the.
Yeah, you go in there.
No fucking
And,
way,
and,
bro.
and then there's like a bus.
Okay.
What's up?
How?
Oh, what happened?
No.
I'm on 400 ping.
All right, I'm coming out. Oh man, this is what I have as a weapon.
Did you find like a big chest that I don't know the best say it. Like it's like a crown chest?
Yeah, it had a chug jug and a scope revolver.
Okay. Yeah, not the best.
No, it's all right.
I left there with like a purple or a blue pump, blue shotgun, and RPG. A gold
right.
RPG.
Well, you know what?
Last game.
Let's see what happens here. We gotta get a Hover's card, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get a better weapon. The scoped pistol is not ideal.
Yeah, I agree.
I got a campfire.
You know, I got one in the last game, and that came in handy. There's just chest.
All right, I got a bunch of long distance weapons, and that's it. That's all I got. Now I got a hunting rifle. Ah, here goes an AR.
There's a shotgun down below here. I think behind this wall. I
Okay.
think. Let me just verify. It's not. It's just attack.
You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it.
It's better than nothing.
Yeah, it's better than nothing. Is right.
So wait, Hover, you're up top or what?
No, I'm getting him back right now.
Oh, you are.
Damn, we got.
Oh, he already
Oh,
got
yeah,
him.
right.
He already got him up. Okay, perfect.
All right, nicely done. Hey, Hover, do you want this heavy sniper?
I did get bullied by default Jesse.
He comes.
What do you say, son?
I'll give you some of that.
There's a rift over here, guys.
Okay.
All right.
I'm with you.
You can take it. Right there.
Where do you want to drop?
Let's wait for Hover and Snuff.
Okay.
I'm on my way.
Extra shotgun right here.
Jesse, ain't no way you clipped me dying to a bot, bro. Whoa.
There's a
Jesse,
Discord channel supposedly somewhere that has clips of Hover dying in weird ways.
Is that right?
And it happens to all of us, but
Absolutely.
for some reason, his always gets clipped.
Is it a friend of his that's doing it?
Yeah.
Coach.
Yeah.
Oh, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Yep.
Yeah, Jesse, I'm definitely not reviving for you tomorrow, bro. I'm letting you die.
That's funny. There's another ref by Burger too. Let me
Yep.
get.
Yep.
Too high.
Too low?
Okay.
Oh, hoverboard.
Oh! Didn't let me through. There we go.
Where are we landing at, folks?
That's a good question. I was kind of following you. I don't know.
Tiago, you're not as aggressive as always. What's going on?
What?
He
My
usually.
body.
What happened, Tiago? I'm used to the more aggressive play style. Let's go, baby.
No, I'm trying to look for some people right now.
Yeah, it's kind of quiet. They knocked on that building.
Right there on the top. Yep. See him? There's somebody right there.
They broke
Yeah, I hear them.
Clock tower.
Man, I had a perfect shot. Oh, shoot, I tried to set a rocket before you. Sorry. Hey, Coach.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna try to come to you.
What happened?
Can you not? Can you get me up? Sorry.
Oh,
the
I
guy
didn't see.
got me.
I didn't see you, brother. I'm sorry.
You good? You good?
I got a campfire for you, brother.
All right, thank you.
This
So
guy's
fine,
running.
man.
I
They're
think.
above us.
Yo, Diego, you have a campfire, by the way.
That's my truck, just in case they come down.
I got minis for you. Oh, you got them already.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, thank you.
I would just say chud.
Oh, Tiago's low.
Thank you again.
I'm coming
Oh,
to you, bro.
Hover's down.
Let's go triple reboot, Hover.
There's still footsteps here, FYI, but shoot.
Are you good?
They're over there. They're coming up here. I hit one for something.
I'm going for the reboot. Nope, I'm fighting. Actually, I'm gonna be fighting. Oh,
I came up from behind.
I got
didn't see him.
lasered, boys. Got lasered. Absolutely lasered. While we're doing that, let's take a look at what's going on with GV. So we know that it needs to break. We know that it needs to break 38 cents. That's going to be a significant resistance area. Let's take a look at ONDS while the team keeps playing. I've got myself muted so that they don't hear me speaking. I don't want to disrupt them as they're playing. But we can see that ONDS is a heavier floated stock. It's moving up, and it actually closed up almost 21, 22% on Monday. I'm sorry, on Thursday, and this is on our watch list. Even though it's a heavier floated stock, it has strong news because of its involvement with Palantir. Palantir is a big data company that has large contracts with the U.S. military operations, if you will. So it's going to be
Wait,
on
do I
our
need
watch
to
list.
buy cards or?
All right,
No,
we're
you
getting
can't.
No,
You
you
can
can't buy
you can get him up, and then we can you go get him up, and then then you guys can try to get ours.
Yep, they're
If
gonna
you can.
they're
You
gonna
gotta
try to
risk,
get a reboot over here, so we'll
not
see
too
what happens.
far as well.
All right, so that's
well.
the story with ONDS. Let's go ahead
Maybe.
and give
I
it
don't
some
know.
key levels of support and resistance. Let's get a share party. Let's get over 400. We're at 359. Let's get
Yeah, the
to
Yeti
400.
crouch walk behind me. I didn't
Resistance
even hear
is
him.
$9.61. Support is going to be
Hover, you want to
$9.38.
try
So
to
we'll
play
keep
for
an eye on
cards and
that.
not reboot over here?
All right, let me get back into the game, guys.
I
Let's
got it.
get back into the game. All right.
They might be leaving. Oh, I was gonna say they're gonna use their glider redeploy. Yeah.
Coach Next is down below, yours up there.
Yeah, mine's all the way up top of the building.
Yeah, I was near the reboot. I was trying to go for the reboot, and they got me.
You hit it, though. It's perfect.
Another nice half putt right there. Wow, let's go, baby.
Ooh.
More in front.
There you go.
He's got somebody on him, but you got to pump. Let's go, baby. Nice. Ooh, punishing. Nice. Great job.
You could put a trap over the card. Want it? Fire.
Hover, go for snows. Go for coaches.
Good job. Good.
Oh, nice shot. Way to go, brother. Good job, Hover. Ooh, nice. Oh, man, what a shot. Way to go, Hover.
So Hover sells
Thank
an
you.
aimbot for $100 a month.
I know,
It's
right?
like, yeah, it's like a soft script.
Man, did you see that? Holy!
Yo, Jesse, you see, you don't clip that. You clip me dying, bro. Swear.
Right? Tiago's going for the reboot. There's 2 pumps over there. Snow, there's 2 pumps over there. There's purple
Yeah,
and
you go for it. I'm gonna go into the storm. I'm just
yeah. I'm gonna go in too. Yeah, I have no heals, so I'm gonna go in as well.
Is there a campfire over here? Pull up.
I'm up on my own. You got it.
I got a mig kit, which is gonna be a lifesaver. Oh shoot! You guys all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm hitting the campfire over here. I got one more hit that I can do on the campfire. That's all. That's all my wood. All right, I'm gonna head in. Hopefully, I can make it.
What's
Yeah,
that
I'll throw
one
some
from
bandies.
Oh, perfect.
I'll drop minis back here.
Nice save, nice clutch.
Wow, nice save, boys.
Yeah, I agree. Anybody have any
Oh,
extra
campfire?
minis?
I left minis back there.
I got 50 pot. I'll just take it.
Snow, I got a mini for you.
Oh, I just took the 50 pot. It's all good. Shots ahead. They're up on the mountain.
Who wants to get rocket rided?
Well, I have no movement down.
I
If
have
I haven't
you,
watched, I will
Brian,
miss it.
read a play.
I'll be down. Okay.
Pull up.
Someone is a
On the yellow
solo.
mark, there's somebody up there.
Can you carry that? Don't. Oh,
All right, here we go.
jump.
It's too fast. The rocket's too fast.
It still lets you rocket ride. They still have that.
Jump.
Ooh, somebody just got knocked.
It was worth a try.
There's that drop over there. You want to go for it? Or do you think it might be too
You're on
risky?
this hill without hover.
There was somebody on top of the mountain. I just don't know where they went. They're mountain right next to us.
They're all on height. Right
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna mat up.
Oh yeah,
out.
they're
Oh,
shooting.
somebody's sniping! Somebody's sniping! Whoa, 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 whoa!
30 on the guy down below.
Oh, that's
Over
the skin that
Muslim?
Soul was talking about earlier. Okay, this
I hit him a little bit down below, but I don't have more ammo.
I'm dead.
we couldn't do anything about that clingers, okay. You could come to revive me, low key, so. Nah, no, you
Yeah,
can
maybe.
right now. Nah, they come to you.
Yeah. Alright, just a coach.
Oh man, really?
Yeah.
Oh man,
Sorry.
We have no mats.
got no mats.
I should have called out. I went to the right of the mountain thinking that'd be the best way to get around those guys.
Oh!
We did good.
Well,
Top
that
two.
was
Up to.
that was kind of
All right,
lackluster. Yeah, let's
I'll
run
run
it back.
back.
Let's run it back. Let's do it.
Bad
Woo!
boom boom.
That was tough, man.
So you're still streaming? Everybody's from your Discord, I'm assuming, or a lot of your viewers, or what?
We're on Twitch, we're on X.com, and we're on YouTube.
Nice.
Yeah, so we've got about my followers are around 20,000 on all the platforms. About that. So we're streaming to whoever comes in, and right now we got about 415 people watching us.
Perfect.
I mean, we usually have more than that during regular trading. We have usually 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, something like that. But
wow.
the market's closed today, so and it's half screen. So half of it is Fortnite, the other half is the stock market. Yeah.
Have you noticed an increase in retail traders, like for people who are signing up lately? Because I know for a while, like there was a lull.
Yeah, they're coming back. They're absolutely coming back. They're getting used to the volatility, and people are coming back. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities. We had a stock that ran up 513% just a couple of days ago. ARTL. So that one ran up that much. We had a bunch of different stocks that had some pretty strong parabolic moves.
Yeah, there's been a bunch lately. I feel more in the last couple of months than there were all last year. I feel.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think that if interest rates eventually drop, we'll start seeing more of them.
Yeah. The problem is, I don't think it's gonna happen.
No, I think you're right. I don't think it's going to happen at this point because of what's going on. But we can hope for a cessation of activity in the Middle East, and if that happens, maybe we'll have some luck. But also I read an article from I think it was Goldman Sachs where they've basically said that the markets have gotten used to the volatility and the constant changing landscape, so they've kind of weighed that in. So people are generally trading a little bit more aggressively. They've gotten used to the volatility, if you will.
Okay.
To a certain extent.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know if that's totally true.
I watched
but,
it. Thank you, Jesse, for the second one, not the first one.
You want to do this one again, or you want to do something different?
Google one.
We could.
Yeah, I take less time in trade lately and smaller position size.
Absolutely. I think that's wise, keeping the share size lower. A lot of these stocks do jackknife. That's what I've been seeing happen. There's people above us, without a doubt. Hover went up top. I think he's gonna go and battle them up, I think.
Yeah, I think they're coming to me.
All right, Snow, I'm coming to you.
They went away. I think.
Nah, bro.
I think Hover probably gave him a shellacking.
Oh my goodness, what the heck?
Man, what is going on with the scoped pistol?
Oh, he just left the game.
That's what I
He
keep
just
getting.
left the whole game. I just teabagged him and left the whole game.
I don't know if people like the flintlock for a rotation, but
I'm gonna see if I can get some better weapons here.
He was so close to killing me with that gun. Well, look, so our spot is in circle. First time.
perfect. Perfect. And we're all alive now.
Does anybody want a blue pump right over here? Blue pump. All right. Here we go.
I was thinking they'd want it, like it'd be all over it.
I thought I was going to get some buyers on that blue pump, but I guess not.
Thiago, however you want it. If not, I'll take
I'm all
it.
good. You got a green one.
Man, what type of pump you have right now, son?
Green. You want the blue?
I could have your green.
No, take it.
Guys, I did some bullshit. I pushed a full squad over here.
Alright.
But it's all good. Just let it play out and wait till they leave.
Okay.
They're actually a good squad over
I might go for Tiago reboot. So can I get your green shotgun and I give you this blue one?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to get some shield and then I'll head over there with you. Man, no heals. Okay, there we go.
Oh, no blue pump. Can you carry that for me, sir?
All right, I'm on my way. Where is it? I'll grab it. I got room for it. Where is it? Inside the cave?
Just
It's
get
on.
ready to reboot. Just
Oh,
get ready
it's
to reboot.
Okay, I'll go.
The
I'll
blue-
go. I'll go for the reboot.
Watch out, they might. Yeah, no, they're not there no more.
Oh, let me shoot.
They're in front of you right there.
All right, going for the reboot.
Appreciate it, coach.
Yep. There's a bunch of blue pumps nearby. I got ammo for you, bro. Oh, hover got taken down now. I have ammo for you. I'm gonna drop it right here.
Appreciate you.
Oh, and I got minis.
I low-key do not know why I shot.
It's
Yeah.
a fun over there, right?
Where's his card?
Creeker.
Where's his card?
What's up,
It's
man?
unpleasant.
All right.
Hey, we got a full squad, but after this game I can play. It's up to you if you can be around. It's been a long time, man. Hope all's well.
I got a rift to go. Should I go?
Okay,
first?
let's. I'm with you. Go ahead, pop it.
But one person has to stay back. Snow, you'll stay
I'll
back.
stay back. I'll stay back. I'll stay back.
Okay, let's do it.
It's a full team, coach, so we gotta try to avoid them.
All right, what do you want to do? Tell me. I'll follow your lead.
Let's just play for card and nib, because we don't got good loot for this fight.
All right, you know what? Why don't I go for the card and you stay back, okay?
All right.
All right, where's the card? In the middle of the street?
Yeah, but they're over there. They're over there.
All right, I'm going down for it. I'm going down for it right now. Oh, they're dinging me. They're dinging me. Whoa, baby! Oh, I'm knocked. All right, listen, I'm gonna crawl to the card. Got it.
Oh,
Got
well.
it.
You got it.
Got it.
All right.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Got it. Got the card.
So I can get coaches first.
Yo, we all taking turns to die for getting rebooted.
They're camping cards, bro.
Yeah, they are 100% camping the cards. 100%.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Boa Beep says, back this Marvel team up. Action is cool. Let's go, baby. The audience is enjoying it, fellas. Let's go, baby. Boba Beeps in the house. Boba Beeps is a trader as well, Snow.
Oh, yeah?
Boba Beeps, I'm playing with my good buddy Snow, who is also a trader, and my good buddy Tiago and
Yeah.
Hover. I haven't played with them in eons. Well, that's not true. I played with Hover and Snow about a week ago, but I had not been playing with them for a while. And Snow is a big time trader.
You bet.
Yep. Stock trader. It seems to go hand in hand with Fortnite, doesn't it?
You know what's funny though? So I don't gamble, and people like when they find out like I'm a trader, they're like, "Wait, you gamble, right?" And I'm like, "No."
No.
And then sports, but not. Yeah, I don't gamble.
No, gambling is not as calculated. I mean, it's calculated, but not
Yeah,
as
I don't.
calculated.
Yeah, I don't have as much of an edge there.
Thanks very much, Tiago, for the
No
pickup.
problem.
Oh, we got his card, right? I just
Yeah,
realized.
yeah,
right? Back in the-
Yep.
Oh, my bad. I didn't realize. When I go back,
Tiago got the card, man.
let's go.
Looks like Hover's nearby too. RPG. Ooh,
How
let's
did they
go.
just leave this loot behind?
Look at that. They left a bunch of loot here.
All right, coach, you're gonna be up.
Thank you very much, Snow. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
Guess now we just gotta all meet up somehow.
I'm coming towards you guys right now.
All right.
We just gotta meet up with her.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna meet you guys right now.
Yeah, I was thinking like stand up north, but I know you guys like to push, so I don't know if that makes any sense. Another blue pump.
Coach, you need it?
No, I'm good. I'm gonna rock the blue tack. If you got minis, let me know.
Oh yeah, I do.
I'm coming to you guys. Thank you. Thank you.
I'll
Thank you.
hard market too. Yellow.
Yep. I see it. Thank you. The pirate. The pirate.
I remember when this thing came out, it was like so unique.
Right? It really was.
Yeah.
Hey,
Thank
Sean, I
you.
think you're right. I think the vending machine is free.
All right.
I never saw it raining though. Is that like new to the season?
Yeah, I noticed that too. I
You
don't
know
know,
what?
maybe. So as I said, like I took a lot of time off. I took a couple months off, so I don't know. I haven't really been following up on it.
I'm gonna rock the minigun just so we have spray.
All right.
I dropped you some SMG bullets right there.
Yep, I just grabbed it. Perfect.
Yeah, and then the hiding in the cannons was like big.
Yeah, remember that?
Yeah, and shooting them. Yeah. I remember it was like a battle pass challenge too. It was like really hard. Like I forget what it was, but it involved the cannon. I think I got to get an elimination as if you're a cannon.
Oh yeah, you had
Didn't
to
you-
get eliminated. I remember that challenge.
Do you
That
remember?
was,
Did
that
you
was
need,
one of the harder ones.
weren't you able to get shot out of a cannon at one point?
You still can, yeah,
Yeah?
you can get in it. I think you had to shoot yourself out of the cannon and get the elimination for the challenge.
I think you could shoot it. No, I think it was shooting it. Shooting someone with it.
Yeah,
Let's
it might
get
have
that.
just hit
Let's get that share party going on, guys. Let's get the 500. We're at 462. Let's get that share party. Bobo Beep says that's funny because my son doesn't trade and he writes his own algorithms to gamble and is very good at it.
Well, maybe I would. Maybe I'd be a gambler if I could do that.
Yeah. Snow said maybe he could be a gambler if he could do that. I love it. I love it. Hey, Bobo Beeps, can you hear the other people in the party? I think they can. I think they could hear you. I hear some gunfire.
I'm shooting the supply drop.
Okay.
Do anybody want a spaz?
There's a big pop right here.
Okay,
You
that
sure
big
you don't
pot.
want the spaz?
Oh, coach needs it. Coach and Hover need that big pot.
There's a blue pump right here.
Man, I'm like, Their shot's not too far from us. It's 8 other teams. Somebody's
This kid right
ripping.
here on me. He's trying to get the supply drop. He's behind the tree.
Behind the tree, yeah.
There's one. Spray his ass up. Light him.
I'm coming down with you.
Light his ass up.
I'm on him.
Behind here.
Right here. More rockets. 1 HP.
That's my sting. I should have that.
His friend is over here.
I'm taking damage. I was like, oh, he's. Alright,
Nice shit.
Yo, coach, have you SMG ammo if you need.
Yeah, I'm down to 3, so yeah, that'll be good. Thank you. Thank you. Does anybody want this RPG?
No, I'm all good.
All right.
I think there was some
I'll rock
rockets
with it.
up
I'll
there.
rock with it.
Anybody carry medkits?
No, I have 3.
Alright.
I have 3 mechas and a chug.
I should take that minigun.
Does somebody have rockets for coach?
I've got 13.
There was a-
I'm already carrying 13, so if you guys can carry extra, that'd
Yeah.
be great. There's another
Yeah,
RPG
yeah.
right here. There's another RPG right here.
I'm carrying one with 13 bullets as well. So we're set.
Okay, bet. So I got the minigun and the RPG. I got 500 rounds of minigun.
Yo, I cracked one 150 on my mark. They're in the top of a
They're
volcano.
sniping, watch out. This is not a circle, it's not worth it. Let's go towards circle.
Behind us? Dead.
Behind it.
Behind him.
He's
Somebody's
running
landing
this
on us, boys.
Good stuff.
There's just one more over here. somewhere.
Oh shoot, there's
Down
a guy.
I downed him. Yeah, I downed him. I downed him up top.
Oh, nice
They were
shot.
getting revived.
They're here on me, guys. I got the last one.
Melted.
Pump. I'm pumping the chug.
Alright.
There's a gold spaz right here.
I think there's one up here too. Yeah. These guys are loaded.
We're getting shot at right here.
Yeah. They're down below here by the trees, I think. Oh wait, there's a guy up top too, the
Oh,
mountain.
free his ass up. He's right there.
I got chased by the light.
There's a guy on the tree. There's a guy on the tree.
Oh, I dropped my AR, bro.
Coach, come back.
I'm knocked.
Oh, my minigun didn't shoot. I hit him with a pump shot, the guy on me, suit guy, I didn't see his thing.
There's double red in here.
Good stuff.
I'm holding him.
Hold the wall.
You got a lot of traps, yep.
Minigun.
Come back over this way.
Yo, you have minis, Thiago?
I only got a big fuck. I got a campfire for us too. Gotta get in a better position. They're looking at us.
Oh, he ended me.
Over.
Cracked. The box.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
Let's get out of here. It's not right.
Behind.
Why is my phone so slow?
Voice.
Let's go, baby. Way to go. No heals, though. Oh, bandies.
That's the bandies, yeah.
I'm popping my kit.
We got supply drop in a circle. We could go for that.
Yeah, low key because we need. I need some shield, or maybe get safe in.
Oh my god, yeah, they look really good. They're eating the freaking.
He's on top
Follow
of
us.
it. Hold on, let me mark supply drop first. Then we're gonna go and be marker.
Trying to get to
That
the
way.
mats.
It's toward left.
Oof.
I just got sniped. Wow.
They still getting challenged. I'm watching. Going.
Supply drop is a risk, right? It's not worth it.
And you wanna know why? Like, on her part, it doesn't matter. Because she's not like
It's a risk.
Good, you got the audio. Good. Glad to hear it, Bobo.
Cracked him.
Like she used to try to text her and stuff, and that girl would not come back at all.
Gonna mute myself so I can speak to the chat. These guys are good.
200.
These guys are real good. Look at how aggressive they are.
No, I didn't know how far that.
What is
Oh, I died of fall damage, bro. I didn't know how far that shit.
GG's. Oh, wow. Wow. So the chat is hearing the game, boys. And they are loving the gameplay. You guys are rocking it, boys. Let's go.
Not me. It's Tiago and over.
I know, right? These two guys are something else, aren't they, chat? And I got news for you, Snow. You're pretty damn good too, buddy.
Dude, I was just getting too old for it, and then I think I took some time off. I can notice a big difference between kind of, I'll say, prime and then now, and then before I quit now, but whatever. I'm just glad that you guys are playing.
You'll get back into it, man. You know what? I think that the chat's enjoying the gameplay. You know, we're gonna go over stocks in a little while, but definitely they're getting into the gameplay as well.
So we just got to get that win now.
Yeah, let's get that dub for the chat. They're like really awaiting with bated breath. So close, right? Was that two second places in a row, something like that?
Yeah, I think if I would have stayed alive, I think we could have won that game, but I died of fall damage. I didn't know how, bro. I thought it was.
All right, let's get that dub.
Do they trade crypto as well?
No, I sold out just before the big dump. You know?
Yeah.
You know, I'm just I'm not gonna hold it long term.
Yeah, I picked some more up not long ago. I don't know, it was like 60 or something like that, thousand.
You bought Bitcoin?
Yeah.
I mean, that's
Bro,
the one that
bro,
has
ain't
the,
no way you clip me dying to fall damage, bro. Hell, I need to give you a
what else
calculator,
do
bro.
you what else do you own besides Bitcoin? Do you own Ethereum and
Yeah, Ethereum,
XRP?
XRP. Yeah, Ethereum and XRP.
Yeah, that seems like
And
the.
so, like I said, a little Solana, a little Solana.
I was just gonna say a lot of people like Solana also.
But mostly Bitcoin. Even though I think XRP and Ethereum might be the better cryptos, just they're not as well known.
They're not. XRP, you hear a lot about it a lot of times, and it was up to like $2.70 at one point, but it sold off pretty bad after recent recent market volatility, if you will.
It sure did.
Bobo Beep says he's invested. I'm invested in this team up, so now Snow owes me a Victor Romeo. Ah ha ha! There you go. See. So it's pretty common to have Fortnite and stocks, right? I'm not the only one.
Yeah.
Yo,
You
Diego,
guys-
someone on me is one tap.
I see him.
Like, I genuinely believe.
To the right, pushing to my right.
I feel like everybody's so
Ooh,
They flanked
can't
me.
build here.
They
Make
flanked
him
me.
peek out. 80 head.
Where'd you
Shot.
go?
Behind you. Crack.
Nice.
40.
My wall. You gonna edit above me? No. Yeah, nice.
Way to go, boys. Way to go.
I'm a 1 HP.
Man, he flanked me. I didn't even see him, boys.
I'm back here. Look, I'm back here. Right there in that chest. I'm back here.
Both kids right here, and I got campfires.
Nice. Ooh, nice little pump over there. There you go.
There you.
Yo, did you clip that I died with fall damage? Hell, I guess.
Thank you, Tiago. Appreciate it, bro.
All right.
All right, let's get it.
Your mini, I don't know where you're going, Coach, but there's a mini on some loot over here.
Yep. I'm going to come and get it.
Oh yeah, and you can get a free gun if you want.
Oh, there's a gun over here? Perfect. All right.
Alrighty. 14 left.
We're
14
back in business.
You guys, let's use this rift over here.
Okay.
Or is it too far back?
Coach, we're going the other way.
The bacon and the cheese because I love that. Like I just love it. And
I'm just farming up right now.
Alright. Not a bad idea.
Very good idea.
I think he's just hearing me.
There's another rift over here. A burger.
I have two supply drops near each other on my mark. That's if you guys want to go for it.
Yeah, let's go towards it. There's shots over there too.
Yeah, they in the pirate ship. Oh, blue pump. Wait, the fat zone was there. It's crazy.
Wow, two drops right near each other, huh?
They're booted.
Guys, there's people right here. Watch out.
I had some gunfire, I think, behind me, boys. Just as a heads up.
We have light on them.
34 on the red one. Whatever you want to call that skin.
I knocked one.
I got one low.
I got all three.
Good. I think I got one. Well, not really one, but probably about 6 mil here. Oh, sorry.
Does anybody want a thermal? Anybody want a thermal?
No, I'm all good.
Minigun.
I got a rift to go.
I got an extra one as well.
Wait, can you carry two at once?
Here, you want it? Here, you can. Here you go. There you go.
Then I'll carry the- I'll
Sorry's
carry
coming.
the minis. No, I'll carry the minis.
You want me to carry it? Okay.
Cracked him.
I have a launch pad.
I'm dropping on mech hit. He died.
He's right here.
Did he went in the water?
Think so. Where the fuck did he go?
Well, I mean, it's oh shoot. There's a box there.
Yeah, he did die. But look, his hoverboard was right here.
No. As I just did it myself, I ran out of maps.
Oh my goodness!
I ran out of maps.
Oh man.
How do we get his card?
Can we get his card?
You have it. You have my card.
Oh, okay. Wow.
I just lost all my weapons. Yeah, that's stupid of me. I choked. Big time. Here you go, Albert. Does that make you feel any better?
No, bro. Our last game was bull crap. I died the whole damage.
I have a launch pad, by the way, boys, just so you know.
That's
Still did the same thing. Still did the same thing from the other guy.
Yep.
I was building, I just was too fast and didn't realize I was out. I knew it was low, but I just didn't look. Yeah. No, I'll go back and get my loot.
There's two minis right
Kidding.
here.
Thank you.
I got you some ammo as well.
Appreciate
Yeah,
it.
actually, don't use the minis. Don't use the minis. Here, stop. Come here, take this.
Alright.
Can you spare a
Appreciate
couple of
that.
minis for me? Because I have no heals.
Can I do what now?
Can you spare some minis? Because I don't have any heals.
Thiago, whenever you have a chance,
Oh, yeah.
I need help.
I'm coming.
Thank you, brother.
But they heard the reboot and they came. It's two, only two.
I'm coming. Just try to bring them towards me.
I boogie bomb one. He's white. Dead. It's three now. Not four. Wow, it's
I got your finish.
His team is high ground. Where did he's one on my mark. Dead. Coming to you, Tio.
There's a guy 1 HP purple skin. There's a purple stuff.
Guys, cracked, it's running away. I had to go back for the loot, I guess, because I have nothing.
Over here, boys. Over here. I don't think that was necessary, but I did it anyway. Oh, there's a heavy sniper over here, boys.
But you were tired. You should do that.
There's a perp. I'm gonna take the purple pump actually.
That final lead, bro.
There's one by Tiago. Oh, we hit a good shot. Shoot. My bad.
Coming here. I'm coming.
Oh, behind me, boys. He just thirsted me.
That guy's good aim.
Nice shot.
Cut this man behind.
Tiago, I'm trying to run to you. If I don't know if I can get there though. Oh, there's a guy behind me.
I'm finishing.
Cover me. No, I'm good.
There's a guy coming to you.
That's the guy with my RPG.
I have the 38. Watch. I'm moving up.
Try to hold for 5 seconds.
Let me know.
He bounced on that one, huh? He didn't want the turret, bro. That was a great move.
Nice, Diego.
Let's go.
Was it a default? Was it a default? Yeah.
520 folks watching the
Yo,
stream
I have
right
4
now.
builds. Diego, you have builds? You have builds?
He doesn't have many. He has 4 himself. Oh, I don't know how much do you have, dude? Not bad.
You need mats?
Nah, I got some. From that kid.
Let's go grab the card. I'll go for snow. Go for coach.
I don't think you guys are gonna. I don't think you're gonna be able to get me up. I don't know if it's worth it.
Bomber would be dead when I get
You got
closer.
any white heels? Oh,
There might have been a med-
drift.
Yo, Diego, I might be dead.
Come on, get out. All right, he's out.
I'm out.
Just popping the med kit.
Tiago has a campfire.
Yo, in coach,
There was
that
rifts.
body have a rift to go. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually had 2 of them.
True. Damn, I should have picked one of them up, hopefully.
You have 13 seconds till zone pulls in. I'm gonna mark next where zone pulls into.
And that's how you survive, folks. Let's go.
Yo, Tiago, you have wood you can split? Oh, thanks.
Hey, Coach, could you do me a favor?
Yes.
And then shout out Tiago and Hover's streams.
Absolutely. What are the names on the streams? For
Hover's
Fortnite?
is his username HoverCR7 on Twitch.
Well, you're doing it right now, so go ahead. Go ahead, Snow.
Tiago,
Shout it
I
out.
low-key thought you have a launch pad.
Hover
I
on
was
Twitch.
following.
I appreciate you for the shout out, but I'm all good because I don't stream no more.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
What's Hover stream?
But you could shout out Hover. Make sure
It's
everybody
his
goes.
username HoverCR7 on Twitch.
Hover CR7 on Twitch, folks, to watch Hover play Fortnite. If you're into the Fortnite portion of the show, Hover
He's on
CR7.
He's on every day, almost.
Excellent.
Almost.
Excellent.
They're both fighting Luke. Luke Lake. Loot. No. Oh, that tree just saved the sheesh out of him, bro. Holy.
We got a supply drop on the hill.
All right, let's get this.
There's a team over here at the
Alright.
south. Okay. There's a
Got the
team
guy
over
behind the rock.
here. Guys, watch out, there's people over here. They're camping. I heard they're crying.
Somebody's here.
There's 3, it's a full team. Watch out.
Yeah.
Let's get the supply drop.
Bro, that video is so fun.
Trying to stink them.
You see the people having a party, and then there's fears of black people targeting me, huh?
They popped the roof.
Oh yeah.
You're good, little. Coach,
Thank
I
you,
got
brother.
I'm not-
Thank you, brother.
Just split some more snow.
Yep, I got ammo. I'm gonna split it right here. Hold on.
What?
Here, take it. Take half. And here's half
Yeah,
shotgun.
you got-
Half shotgun. Here you
We
go.
got teams looking at us.
No, I got you both minis. I got you both minis.
Thank you, brother.
Appreciate that.
Uh,
Alright.
I
Four
don't.
teams left.
Looks like the minis got picked up, boys.
You have to rotate to them.
I took
Guys,
two.
I have a launch pad.
My
I
bad.
have a
I thought he
launch
gave
pad.
us.
Let's use the launch pad.
I'll be back there. That was my fault.
Ooh. What?
Oh, I got a red phone.
Oh, hover. I'm coming back, bro.
Where did they hit that, bro? Was it? Yo, it was like 3 snipers all looking at me, bro.
Hey, I got bandies. Do you need bandies?
Yes, sir.
We gotta rotate out. There's the launch pad whenever he heals.
Where are we going to, though?
We gotta find a
Left?
funnel circle. Let's say we go left on the hill. Right here. Well, we should be good right here.
So I will have to do the same thing, low key. That's what I was thought to do.
If
No, I
anybody,
saw some
if anybody
ammo.
has
I saw
minis, let
some
me know,
ammo and
boys.
stuff.
Now what?
I say
down
we
there?
just waited out for the last team, and then we fucked them up.
Yeah, let's go for the victory.
Go for the win. Better.
Excuse me, sir.
Somebody's walking over here.
I'm both. So just one
We gotta
behind
focus
us,
on
low
circle,
key.
guys.
Oh, behind us, behind us, behind us. On
We
top.
gotta focus on circle.
I'm gonna take this
Don't
wall
let down.
first.
Bro, I was like, nah, if I go with this, people push the fuck out of me.
Yeah, let's
There's gotta
move.
be a-
Let's move right now, though.
Let's move right
We could
now.
have position of everyone. So just follow them. Follow.
Alright.
I'm gonna have pressure behind them.
They're coming, they're coming.
They're
I'm
coming
building
straight
up, boys.
for-
I'm building up.
1 HP, 1
Wait, 1 HP, 1 HP. I am for 34 white. 3 times.
No!
Holy shit. Almost got dogged on.
You want something close.
Elbowing. No.
I'm knocked. Ah.
I'm gonna let this kid to the left rotate.
Behind you.
So you're Matt?
No, I don't have anything. I have 2, and then the only thing I have is a turret, really.
I need that turret.
Alright. It's on my body.
Buddy.
I tried to crawl, man. I died in the water.
Spray that guy to your left, right there. He just opened the supply gate. He's getting sprayed at. One under the water.
You know stuff, but thinking of
You
this,
got this.
break the cabbage too and fry it up and then
Nice.
Alright, there you go, get some mats. Might have a turret still in my card.
Oh! Second place, boys.
Again, jeez, man.
Man,
you guys do well.
GG's, boys.
I'll try to not. I grieved that game, my bad.
Second place. Wow. Another one. Another one, boys. Another one. All right, we're gonna get that victory for the chat. We're gonna do it. 561 people coming in. Come on now. Come on. While we're waiting to get in, I'm going to take a quick peek at PFSA. That was one of the stocks that I was looking at for Monday, PFSA. And we can see that it's forming a pennant, and it's stacked with the 9 EMA above the VWAP. It's going to need to break a $1.50 psychological level. PFSA needs to break a $1.50 psychological level, and we'll do a Fibonacci retracement to give you an idea of where support and resistance is. Chat. Here we go. Boom. Right there. Support right at the VWAP at $1.17. Resistance at around $1.35. And then 150, which is the previous high of the day. It closed at around 60% on
Yo,
Friday.
7.
On Thursday.
So I'll add. I just pulled it up on my chart using my own custom indicator. It put in a buy signal on Friday, it looks like, and the last time I had to put on a buy signal on the daily. Actually, no. Last time I had any signal on the daily was January 20th, and it was a sell, strong sell.
Right. You know what I like about it? The float is 1 million, and the volume on Thursday was 8 million. A lot of attention.
That's good.
So big volume to float rotation on PFSA, and it closed at 60% in after hours. I didn't see any news on it per se. Let's scroll down and see if there's any news. I didn't see anything.
How about you, 7? How your day going so far, 7?
7.
You know what? They withdrew a shelf registration back on February 27th. That was the news.
That's good.
Yeah. So dilution is less of a risk because they pulled the shelf reg. So it's definitely going to be. It actually ended up being the leading gainer in after hours for small caps on Thursday. So that's going to be a big watch for me if volume comes in for it.
Yeah, I like that setup. I like how it looks. I never heard of that.
It looks almost like it looks like almost a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. Do you see it on the 5 minute?
I don't usually use the 5 minute, but I can look.
Yeah.
I usually I'll use like the daily and maybe 4 hour to look for ideas, and then I'll use like maybe a 1 minute or 30 second to get a good entry.
You hold longer, right? You take the position and hold it for a while?
Yeah, I mean, I'm probably about 20% day trade and then 80% swing, long swing.
Okay. Yeah,
That's why I use a daily. Yeah, that's why I use a daily.
I scalp, so for me, it's the 1 and the 5.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
But I always look on the daily to make sure the chart says to me like this is worth a day trade.
Right. There's people at Sunny Steps. Where are we going, boys?
I think Sunny Steps. I just went up top to.
I landed on the hill right here.
Yo, so 7, say hi.
Yo, 7. What's good? Jesse sent me a message, but I didn't see it.
Talk about day trade.
Maybe. It's addictive.
Oh, where is the entrance?
Right here. 25 on him.
Are you guys at Sunny? Are you guys at Sunny Steps? Are you at Sunny Steps?
Yeah. 50. I went down though. Shoot.
I'm just gonna get an AR and come over.
Touch?
Nuts.
What is? Good.
Good.
He just left the game. Bro, why is everyone leaving?
Yeah, you're fighting it.
Yeah, I was fighting him and he left the whole game after dying.
Coach, there's some move right here. Nobody looted this.
All right, I'm coming
I
over.
looted up.
Yep, coming over. Good call.
Yo, welcome in, Hill.
Good green
Tiago,
country.
there's a scar right here for you, buddy.
There's a blue tack right here.
Okay, bet. Thank you.
Also a purple pistol. I don't know if you like that one.
Just got a message.
Yeah, I'm good with that. I'm good. I can take the blue tack.
Another blue tack right here.
I got you 2 minis right here.
Oh, thank you. That I could definitely use.
And a big one right there.
Awesome.
Perfect.
Drop you.
Oh, nice. Thank you. I got a mini. Appreciate that.
I got a treasure map if we want to grab treasure.
I'm down. We'll go chase it.
Let's see where it is.
They've been closer when we've gotten them, but they're hard to find.
Where the heck is it? It seems to be right over here. Oh, it's right here.
Oh shit.
What's going on? Why is it not opening?
I don't know. So I don't know if they have like where his teammates is.
How the heck how do you open this thing?
Oh, you have to just pickaxe it.
You want me to open it for you?
Yeah, go ahead, open it, brother. Got it.
Alright.
Ah, there we go, bro. All right, I think that could come in handy. I'm gonna grab this gold. Well, actually, take the gold. Take the gold. I'll take the sniper. You take the gold spaz.
There's also a scar because I have one. I don't know if you.
There's another one.
Yeah.
All right, bet.
Anybody carry med kits? Need one?
I got it.
no.
I'm carrying a chug jug.
I could carry heals, but I have no heals.
Extra scarf. Perfect. I'll take that.
I'm carrying minis.
Alright. I'm going to them, however, and then we can all.
No, I
stick
can meet
it.
you up there. I can meet you up there. I'm using the volcano to bomb me up.
We're coming to you guys too.
Yeah.
And somehow I got a full brick, and I didn't even know how.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, 608 folks. Let's keep sharing it up. Let's get to 700. Let's share it up.
I'm checking around to see people.
We actually got a zone. I didn't realize.
First time.
I know, right?
Someone did that.
I do hope they bring the ballers back though for a little bit. Those are fun.
Well, isn't that this season? The ballers?
Yeah.
All right, Bobo Bees wants a victory royale, boys.
All right, there's a 50 call. I don't know what anybody's carrying.
If you got throw it to me, okay.
Blue palm. I think the red's better though.
Yo, me too, bro. I'm done.
I'm gonna mat up. No, that's the one thing I didn't have last game was mats.
Still sky base?
Not bad, 7. Yo, 7, you better get your food ready, bro. Never be on Rock League. Damn.
You know the game's serious when nobody's talking.
They all ain't to win.
That's it, man. Gotta do it for Bobo
This one
Beeps.
too,
Bobo
though.
Beeps is asking for a victory royale, bro. Victor Charlie. That's what he's asking for.
Alright, should we stay up north, play it safe, or there's also supply drop up there.
What's up, Joe?
Aaron.
Over there. I'm at yellow mark.
Don't be yellow.
But if we stay up north, we're gonna fight fewer teams. Less likely to get third partied. I know you guys like to push though, that's the thing. I don't know. I'll do whatever.
I'm following Tiago.
Yeah, I'm following your guys as well.
Not bad, 7.
I'm just rotating towards the middle of the circle, so we don't have to keep rotating up on
Alright.
circle leads.
Oh, good. I do like the vents though, how it helps with rotation.
Let's
Yeah,
turn this.
the vents definitely help.
The streets killed me.
634 people watching. Let's go. Let's get to 700. Let's go. Let's go.
What's the Lambo trade, coach?
What happened? What happened?
I said, what's the Lambo trade?
I don't know, bro. What do you think is the Lambo trade?
Yeah, I don't
Any
know.
ideas?
I'm hoping Bitcoin, but I don't know. It's not looking like it yet. It's not ready
So
yet.
you want
There's a-
spice? No, you want spice?
Yeah, I'll take
you
it.
know, I'm a
Take it,
little
take it,
concerned that it might dip again. That's my concern.
Yeah, it might. It might. I did when we were playing though. I did see that Aunt Kathy was saying that the major dumps are done, but she's been wrong 100 times.
Kathy Woods, she said that.
Yeah,
the
she said-
major dump,
yeah, she
the
said
major dump was done.
Yeah, for Bitcoin, yeah.
She's been wrong before.
Yep, a lot. I mean, her ARC has probably lost people more money than any other ETF.
Right, exactly.
There's people that hit the. I'm gonna watch out for that.
They're right there, huh?
Where?
I think I saw somebody edit one of those. Maybe it's just the distance, but I thought I saw somebody edit one of the wood pieces.
Let's build the fort. We're on top of this house.
He's almost took people
That's
off.
true.
Hell yeah, Jesse. Work on that Zillow build.
Oh, there you go.
We need you to pull your A game tomorrow.
I played Zero Build yesterday with a bunch of friends. It was all right.
You get the floor underneath it.
It was all right. You know.
Shots south. Oh, they're getting the supply drop.
Coach, do you have a sniper stick?
I do. You want it?
No.
Here.
I take my mark off.
People over there try to snipe them.
Oh, I see him by the tree.
Right
He's
there.
coming closer to us.
Ooh, just got shot from behind, boys.
I got him for 22 blue. Are they a Burger Mountain?
Somebody's back there. I'm popping the
Oh,
truck.
hover, you're too close to them.
Huh?
There's a whole team right there.
Yeah. Yo, coach, if you want, you could save that chug and I could throw you minis and big pot.
I just popped it, bro. Sorry.
Fine, fine, fine.
Guys,
That's
we gotta rotate towards hover. He's in circle.
Alright. Well, someone in the hover, boys. Fucking low up there.
They're going to hover. We gotta help.
He just fucking full boxed me, bro.
Knocked one.
Nice.
There's two. I got a Lux low, the dark skin.
I'm down. Nice. Oh. GG's.
I just had a mommy sparkles.
Holy.
Top 3. Not bad.
AIXI, fellas. AIXI. AIXI. Let's check it out. AIXI for Monday.
This is the most OG I've played.
For Monday. AIXI.
Yeah, it's
Let's
fun,
take a look at the
right?
chart.
Yeah, like
The chart is up.
I mean, it'd be more fun to flex it up a little bit. but it's fun.
75%. Very, very choppy. It came out of a
I thought I
cup
was
and
gonna be able
handle
to
pattern.
Cap that
Cup and
Lux,
handle
and then I'd
pattern
leave one
and
more,
broke,
2 more.
and there
I
we
guess,
have
but they got
another
the
cup and
revive
handle.
off.
It's an
I mean, it
inexpensive
happens,
stock
it happens.
at around 17 cents. It's going to be volatile, 16, 17 cents. Let's get a Fibonacci
Sneaky,
retracement for a key level of resistance on this stock. And key level of resistance is going to be at 18 cents and 20 cents. AIXI. Volatile.
The Blue Jays.
Guys, you're watching Power Play, where we mix stocks and Fortnite, and we had the pleasure today of playing with 3 high-level players, really good players, and good friends of mine. I hope you guys are enjoying it. We haven't gotten the Victory Royale yet, but it's come close, so we're going to get one for the community.
Let's go.
Let's get it. Let's do it.
You guys want to try a different strat this game? Let's land towards the middle of the map.
You want to land in the middle? Yeah, let's go.
Anywhere in the middle, like it could be dusty, salty, anywhere. Because then we don't have to rotate that much.
You want to go to Salty? How do you feel about Salty?
I feel good about salty.
Let's do it. I'm good with it. Let's go. Let's get it.
Because then we stay in the center of the circle, so we don't have to rotate.
We don't have to deal with the storm.
No, yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, let's do it.
I'm gonna end up here.
So I used to land in one of these trees when they had like outlast like I don't know 5,000 crazy number of people to get like the Storm King or Ice King skin, I think.
I'm gonna
And they
land.
would always
What is that? A purple blue pump?
Yeah.
I'm taking that.
You take it. That was nice.
All right, I'm gonna land on top of the house where Tiago is.
I am 39. Yeah, 30,
Yo.
45 again too.
Is it just real? The AK actually not that good.
I like it. Yeah. Got a landing now.
Maybe it's a sign to get that kill.
I'll have an AR,
Oh.
but I'm coming to you. Yeah, on the road. White.
You have a spies.
He's one shot. If you hit him hard enough.
That's
Bugs Bunny.
what is? That. Cut.
We're getting landed on, boys.
Dead. No, I downed 3 people. I think it's a bunch, dude.
I just had the AR. He got me. Bugs Bunny.
Ooh, just got lasered.
I have no mats.
Can you get me up above?
Yep, I'm coming up.
Alright. We're taking the minis. Somebody else is here. Thank you.
Wait, how the fuck did he came right here? Oh, the shit was edited. No. Damn.
What are you?
Let's bait them into the trap. There's a trap on the ceiling. That's
They
why.
placed it. Oh, they placed that. Okay.
Yeah, we just gotta bait them down to this door. It worked. No man.
He's in the corner right there. See him? 48 blue.
Trying to get into the trap.
Coach, you have no mats.
Yep. I got a launch pad, boys.
Let's get hover up.
Coach, I got you, man.
Thank you, brother. Oh, there we go.
Got stuck with. Team double red.
They're pushing. Be careful.
Cracks.
Nice.
Cracks. White.
Thank you, brother.
Use that med.
Yep, I'm popping it.
I'm covering you. You're good.
I don't know where this guy went.
All right, I'm ready to roll.
There's still a guy here. I don't know. I got him low, but he's hiding somewhere.
Still have this launch pad over here, boys.
All right. Again, there's somebody here. I just don't know where.
He probably used
Maybe that's him.
the launch pad. You guys, come to this blue house right here. There's a rift.
All right.
Are you going to take the rift in the basement?
Yep. Let's rotate towards more middle and no marking.
Woo! That was some heat, huh? Almost 700 folks in the stream. Let's go, baby.
We
Showing
have
that
another
support.
rift on
Let's
there.
go, baby. We're going to rift on the next one.
Yep. These people shooting at us from Tilted. It's not worth it.
They're coming from, I think they're shooting from
Look at first
Tilted.
party, dude. There's shots going on right here.
No land shifty.
Oh no, these are bots. Has to be.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, no land shifty.
I have some shotgun ammo. Thank you.
There's a supply drop in storm.
Does anybody else have some extra shotgun? I got 4 rounds.
Here,
Okay.
I'll give you some.
Thank you,
Do you
brother.
have any SMG?
I don't have a lot. No, I don't. Actually, I got 19. I'll give you half. Actually, no, wait, I do have it. Hold on. Here you go. I do.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I did. I didn't realize I had that.
There's more
you-
right here.
Alright. I'm going to Thiago. Get that
There's
ammo.
another supply drop right there. Nobody grabbed.
I gotta get mats too.
I could give you some wood. Come here. Come back. Come back. There you go.
Thank you. Oh, nice.
Does anybody
Appreciate
like
that.
Yeah.
revolver?
Definitely.
And then there's another supply drop right there you could go to.
I'll carry the rift. And I've got 2 medkits on me.
I'm gonna meet you guys in circle.
I'm good.
You guys go open the supply drop. I'm good on that.
Appreciate that. Another scoped revolver.
Man, what the heck, right?
Alright. Five other teams left. Not 8 people. There's gonna be some reboots going off, I bet. Wait, there's a guy landing over here. Someone over there. I saw somebody over there. Umbrella. My mark might be a little off, but I don't see him now. It's probably like somewhere in there.
Let's head towards Bloom.
Rebooting. They're rebooting that guy. Sure enough.
Will we rush or no?
Probably. What do you think?
I mean, there's 11 people, so that means we got 7 people left. And then there's 4 teams. 7 people with 4 teams. It's not that much.
We should just watch reboot. We just watch reboot, like to happen.
Yeah. First one. Right here. There's one right here on Blue Moon.
I'm pushing with you.
I'll fight one of them. Dead. Bro, that was disgusting.
I don't think
Nicely
they're
done.
I just jumped and killed him.
I noticed that that's a lot like how, well, I don't want to, I mean to compliment Kwame. I'm probably mispronouncing that name, but he does that a lot. He'll do like a jump shot off a weird angle.
Bro,
Like
that's
a lure.
Scrappy, bro. Scrappy
Oh,
always do
Scrappy.
that to me, bro.
I thought it was Kwame, but yeah, man. Maybe it was Scrappy. I don't know. Maybe I'm confusing the two.
You say
Yeah,
Coloni?
one of them.
Oh, you say Coloni?
Yeah. Cloney, that's what I meant. Yeah, that's what I meant. Cloney.
Guys, let's
Yo, Scrappy always do that to me, bro.
Over 715, folks. Let's get going, baby. Ahead, right there. 20 white, 20 white. Nice. Let's go for 800, people. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get
There's a
it.
guy here. There's a guy here. Up here. 44 on him.
44? Shield or what?
Yeah. Shield.
I'm fighting them.
So it's a superhero, like a white one.
Alright, shoot him in the sky.
Did he rift?
He did.
Yo, is it just me or is it hard to hit your shots?
Does anybody need a spaz? I could carry a spaz.
Yeah, why not?
The manager what?
Why is it over there where you was at?
Yeah, I got it right here.
Because of the bike. It's just a little ass bike.
I might take that snipe.
Tiago's in tilted.
There's shots
people,
near me.
yeah. Right here. At that house. Oh, I just got sniped. I'm getting pushed.
I'm with you, bro.
Coach, you go hold builds for me.
Gavizinho. Door there?
Appreciate you.
Yep. Definitely, brother. Do you have any AR ammo by any chance that you could spare?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you, brother.
Who are you, coach?
No
Oh
problem.
no, I thought I was with coach and I saw no name. I said, oh shit.
Yeah,
I
are
got
you
sniped from right
guys
here.
below?
These guys are sniping.
I don't know what they had though. No, so we'll take
Oh,
two of
right
them.
here, right here. This is the sniper. Stupid.
On me, boys.
Dead.
I hit one for 18. He's right below me. Oh shoot. Okay, he's just better than me. Shoot. He's in my box.
Catch him. Double.
He's on me.
Catch.
Teammate
Nice.
came in. Nice.
Last him. I got you.
I got a med kit over here for you guys.
Hold on, Hover.
I follow with you. I'm on you.
Med kit for one of you. Med kit. Oh.
That's 7 seconds. You have 5.
Oh, dude, he put he did a hover, bro.
Got safe in, I got safe in.
Oof.
Damn.
You got this, Hover.
There's just 2 more people left.
Oh! So close, man. So close, chat. Let's get to 800. Come on.
Guys, I'll catch you guys later.
All right, brother. GG's.
Man, it's been so much fun. Thanks for the good games and catching up, man.
Yeah,
All right, I'll see
very,
you around.
very cool, boys. Have a good one.
right.
Let's talk
You
about
too.
stocks. Good night, boys. Catch you later. All right,
All
let's
right,
go and
peace
check out
out.
the stocks. Let's go check out the stocks, chat.
I'm gonna see if Creeker will join again.
I'll be right back, I'm gonna use the restroom.
All right, let's go and check out some stocks, folks. You saw some gameplay. Let's get a share party going on. Let's share it up. Let's share it up. Let's go. All right, we just spoke about AIXI. Let's review it one more time. It has formed the cup and handle pattern. It is quite extended. It's risky. It's currently at 16 cents. It has resistance at 18 cents. AIXI resistance at 18 cents. It has formed a bull cup and handle. A bull cup and handle. That is AIXI. AIXI. Low floater. Very low float. Yeah. Let's take a look at VVOS. Let's take a look at VVOS. VVOS. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're also on X.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. We're on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And we're on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS. And the screen name is Coach Nick Money. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed what we had as far as the gameplay is concerned. We're going to go over a few more stocks. Before we do that, I just want to do a quick thought. If you've been watching and you're serious about small caps, don't just sit on the outside trying to piece it together by yourself. We've got a 4-day full access pass for $9.99, and it's full access. You come inside, you see how we actually operate live, how we structure trade ideas, how we map levels, how we think about risk, how we handle momentum. You'll get the next day early watch list, almost always 1, 2, 3, or 4 stocks that end up going parabolic. You'll see the 24/7 market news flow, which we're sharing with you right now from the Discord for the entire stock market. We're sharing it on the left side of the screen. You'll get access to that. You'll also have pre-market scanners, regular hours and after hour scanners that include float, volume, and the catalyst. All that context is built right into these custom scanners that we have for our community. And you'll see our ticker tape scanner. This one's really, really good. It's built to catch stocks when they're starting to heat up before they go parabolic. Look, this isn't noise, it's structure. If that's how you want to approach the market, grab the 4-day pass and come see it live. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. And when you come in, let us know you saw us on the stream, baby. Let us know. Share it up. Let's get to 800, folks. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, so we're looking at VOVS. VOVS. It is a moderately floated stock at 9 million shares, moving on light volume. It moved on light volume. Key level of resistance is going to be $1.70. $1.70. Low volume move. Key level of resistance, $1.70. And it is a stock that started moving in after hours on Thursday. Let's go. Okay, we're going to take a look at another ticker. Let's go take a look at another ticker, BTBD. Let's check it out. BTBD. And this stock closed the day up 16, 17, about 16%. You could see it's trending upward. Let's give it a Fibonacci retracement so we know what the key levels of support and resistance are. And it moved on relatively light volume. Key level of resistance is going to be $2.25. $2.25. It needs to break $2.25. It's got support at $2.15. So resistance at $2.25 needs to break it. Needs to break it. Needs to break it. There we go. All right, folks. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to just tell y'all, I call y'all indelibles because I want you to leave your mark. I want you to get all your dreams and aspirations achieved. I want you to be inspirational to others. I want you to have a good time. That's one of the reasons why we do the Power Play show, right? We're trying to teach people, you know, the knowledge that we have about trading. Okay, obviously there's even more tools and knowledge that we share in the Discord. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. So go ahead and take advantage of the 4-day trial for $9.99. But in addition to that, we want to have fun. Right? We want to have a good time and we want to share good times and knowledge with other people. So be inspirational to others. I call y'all indelibles because I want you to leave your mark. I want you to achieve your goals, your aspirations, and your dreams. And I want your mark to be unerasable, aka indelibles. Indelibles. That's right, folks. Listen, it is always a pleasure hosting the show and having the Indelible Tribe here. You guys are amazing. We love you very much. Have a great, fantastic extended weekend. For those of you that are celebrating Easter, enjoy your Easter holiday and have a wonderful time. And we are going to be grinding on Monday, baby. Make sure you're watching us on YouTube at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. Set the notifications on for the morning show with the indelible one, the one and only BDRX in the house, aka the Rainmaker, at 8:20 a.m. Monday through Friday, when he and the Serengeti specialist, I call her the huntress of all things parabolic, goes out in the Serengeti, grabs all the parabolic stocks, all the ABCD breakouts, grabs them by the scruff of the neck, shakes her little bushy tail, and brings them into the Indelible Tribe, 8:20 a.m. into after 9:30, right? After the regular hours. So pre-market into regular hours. So go ahead and check out the show, Microcap Mornings, 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, with the Serengeti Specialist, a.k.a. the huntress of all things parabolic, a.k.a. DBL Moms. Let's go, baby. All right, that's the show. We love you very much. Peace out, everybody. Bye-bye.